like mine. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm the ball. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and with my heart, just think the empathy short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but if we know you can tell me how. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and with my heart, just think the empathy short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but if we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep, that's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what you're loving me, boy. Wake me up and let me go. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and with my heart, just think the empathy short. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Just love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you, but if we know you can tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down.
What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning, guys. What is happening? What's happening on this beautiful, beautiful Tuesday? Morning, guys. Let me just get this up quickly. Okay, guys, are you guys ready for today? Giveaway day, bro. Are you guys ready for the giveaway? Let me just pop that in the poll. Giveaway day, boys. Big day today. Just to say thanks for 500 subs. Someone is walking away with a lifetime experience, huh? Just give me a second here, boys. MFX members, how's it? How are we doing in the Zoom? You guys ready for today, man? Let me just chuck a poll up here. Cool. There's a poll up. Right, boys, we know the drill. If you aren't subbed to the channel, hit that sub button and like the stream. Let's get to business, boys. Let's make some money. Let's get straight to the business. Let's get straight to the business. Uncle Robs, good morning, sir. How are you doing on this beautiful day? How is the weather your side? Right. Mark Pillay, good morning, guys. Hope you have a super blessed day. Same to you, my brother. Chad, Alex. Chad, check your phone. We have a meeting at 12. Charles, good morning. Ruellen, good morning, my man. Bassam, SK Null. Morning, guys. Charles. Why does Charles have a spanner by his name? He's a mod for MFX. Mindset Morning Club, what's happening? Lance, good morning. Ryan, good morning. Josh Collier, good morning. Tabang, good morning. MDZ, good morning. Two Smoke Folks, good morning. You guys are here for the, you guys are here early for the giveaway. Shit. Right, boys. Let's get straight to business. Let's get our charts ready so we can actually focus on making some moolah. And yeah, man. Let's see how it goes. I think. Let me see. All right. Goldilocks first, right? Okay, first things first, boys. Looking at where gold came from yesterday to today during London, during Asia, gold just ranged. Pretty much no massive volume. However, as we are starting to approach this London session, we are starting to see that volume start to kick in. So, first things first, I just want to mark yesterday's low because we are penetrating that at the moment. So, because I'm actually penetrating that, I just want to mark my current daily low, seeing that we've actually surpassed those lows, right? Let's put this phone on silent. No distractions when you trade, boys. You got to be fully locked in. Righty-o, man. Righty-o. Let's get straight to this, boys. Current daily low, mark that in. Right, price currently trading below the level of 23.25. I just want to hop on my weekly just to see. Look, boys, more than likely now starting to give us the pressure to the downside. If we're going to be breaking that daily and 4-hourly support, we should come and fill last week's wick. Keep that in mind, okay? If we break today's lows and 4-hour demand area, we should go and fill in last week's wick. Keep that in mind. Back to my daily. Let's have a look. James Binder, what time frame, my brother? Don't you hear what I'm saying? Just check your mic, check your volume there. Put your volume up if you can't hear what I'm saying. Right, boys. I personally feel like the rebreak of this lows will initiate some shorting pressure. I think so. So let's go ahead and mark out my 4-hour supply and demand zones. And we can start finding out which areas is going to be tradable, which areas won't be tradable, and we'll take it from there. First and foremost, this is that low that we're currently holding, so I'm going to be marking that. This will be that previous liquidity, right? Can add a zone. And then chuck one here. So these are my current 4-hour zones that I'm working with, okay? Let's just jot back in time to understand the structure behind everything so that when we now move forward, we can know which is going to be the probable move for today. Okay. On a technical perspective, guys, if we look where gold is right now, see, yesterday kind of painted a different picture, but as we start to gather more data, we understand that as price is now broken below that level, this could have possibly been the break, the deeper retracement for price to continue down. Let's keep that in mind today. Now, it is still in an area where it is a bit of hot water. With that being said, it's at a point where you don't have that solid direction yet, but we can see what's possibly forming. So what I'm definitely going to be understanding that if I, let's say, reject these lows where price is right now at my current daily low, pop back up and start trading above there, the idea would then be to eventually break my current daily high to continue up. Because even though I understand that price has broken that support zone, came up to retest as a deeper, and it could go down, I need to also understand that yesterday formed a solid liquidity zone there. So if I need to understand this in the correct way, I can also understand that it can still go up, bouncing off of this area. Okay, so even though we have that bearish insight, we have the idea that price can go down, we also need to look at the contrary scenario on that daily. Okay, looking at this 4-hour prior to price popping down, I need to understand what's actually happening here, guys. What's actually happening is we've got these liquidity zones there, 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 and there, right? Price breaks all of that by pressing down. Okay, it then creates a pullback to which level? To that level. Okay, pulls back, and now it seems like it's driving down. Does this drive down start that bearish run? How do I know that? I can tell you that it's not going to start that bearish run until it breaks the level of 23.40. Why do you know that, Miles? If I look at price action and focus on market structure, which I've taught you guys even on YouTube already, and understand that as price drives down and retraces, the nearest 2 candlestick pullback, which will be the lower formation, is there. This is the next drive, right? However, can you see that it never created a high? So technically, the phase is from that low to that high. So whatever happens here is still what? Bullish on that lower time frame. So even though my 4-hour is bearish, I'm still bullish on that lower time frame, which tells me in order for me to actually short this cleanly, this will be the only area I can do so on the 4-hour. Does that make sense? Okay. So with that also being said, now I need to understand that I've marked out a current daily low. With that current daily low being formed there, is it really a confluence if I'm going to be trading into that? No. I can't use it as a confluence as of yet. You with me? I just want you guys to understand that. So if you can understand that, you can understand the next part, which is going to be the 30-minute. As I now go down to the 30-minute, I obviously need to ask myself, which is the tradable zones that I can use in order for me to actually capitalize on this move. The break of this current daily low is unfortunately not going to be a trade for me because we are still bullish. Overall, we are still bullish, okay? The thing is, if I go to my 30-minute, well, that was the 4-hour. If I go to my 30-minute and I kind of reassess that, we are now bearish on the 30-minute. However, it's still not enough for me to initiate those shorting positions yet, okay? So let me just pop this as bearish. So now you got a 2v2, which obviously means, look, the bias for me isn't really going to be such a game changer because we've been trading it as if it's 2v2 just because of the zones that we're finding. Okay, so what I want to do now also on this 4-hour is just mark this as the 4-hour flip, because if we're going to be breaking above these highs again, I am personally going to understand that as it then penetrates through those highs, it could possibly long above the area. Now, which areas is going to be the ones for me that I'm actually going to look to capitalize on? And for me, it's going to be this. It's going to be avoiding this liquidity zone right here. For the longs, boys, I'm going to look for price to pop back above the area, hold that support, and look to drive it up. And then the shorts, I'm going to look for sells below that level. This for me today is going to be my no trade area. Even though there is candlestick confluences in the area, that's not enough for me to actually execute in the area. I hope that is making sense to you guys. So what do you want to see, Miles? I'm going to mark this as a no trade range. So you understand that this is your previous range, right? Price can tap in and start shorting off that area. So I might be looking for type 3 executions there, what can happen. However, the primary target today is going to be looking for shorts over here and buys over there. I will look at possible type 3s from there. If that 4-hour flips bullish and re-breaks lows again, then I'll get in. Okay, but as of now, it's a no trade range for me. Okay, as price does go on, we will adapt. We will look for positions, but as of now, this is going to be my areas on gold. Okay, so we've got aggressive longs up here, we've got a no trade range down there, and we've got aggressive sells within that area as well. These are my liquidity zones that I've now marked out, and I have no 30-minute zones that's really like important on the market. I'll pop in this one, but that's about it, dude. Yeah, that's about it for me, eh? Okay, what types of executions do I want, and what do I want to see? I would like to see, if the buy scenario comes in, that it starts rejecting this area, pops right back up, retests, holds, and starts to drive. I'll then understand that what I'll be doing is I'll just be trading yesterday's trade again, which is the understanding of the resistance area that has been held. For price to get back above that, we're going to treat it as support. Then we'll be doing the range trade, which will be from that low to that high. As simple as that. That was yesterday's trade. So in actual fact, if we mimic that again, it's gonna be child's play. Okay. And then on the contrary, you're going to understand that there's my next range over there. In order for me to short it until see price get below, hold that resistance, which is that, and then drop down to QP, which is going to be that. So it does seem like we are a bit far away from a possible setup. However, it is fine. We have nothing but time. So that's pretty much my idea and my insight on gold this morning. It isn't at an area that I want to execute as of yet, but I do know my areas. Regarding types of execution, this will be a type 3 reversal if I do take it there. So let me just pop that there for you. And then this will be type 4s. This has to be type 4. So type 4 up there for aggressive buys, and type 3 possible reversals if we do reject liquidity and QP, right? And then down here, probably type 4. Yeah, it's probably type 4 down there for me. Okay, it does look a bit messy there. Obviously, it's just because if I tweak my zone, the only way I can tweak it will be there. Okay, that's fine actually. But you see, for me, I don't really want to buy it until it gets above 23.31. Why? Because this is that resistance there. You see that? So I have my zone like that, but honestly, the highest for me is gonna be there, man. Yeah, that's gonna be for me. Alright, CO. Guys, that's my analysis on gold. Straightforward. It's just not near the sort of setup that I want as of yet. We're gonna have to play it safe and wait. I am gonna be primarily targeting these type 3s though. I do see this as the resistance. I want to see it pop back, grab liquidity, and I'm gonna look for type 3s down. That is gonna be my primary target today. So I can actually remove the no trade thing because there will be possibly a trade there. And on the 4-hour, I have my confluences for that. It's not enough yet. It's not enough yet for me to take that shorts. Primary is, I would love to take my shorts there rather, but I mean, if it's going to pop back, hold resistance, re-break supports on my 30.15.5, I'll take it. Because that'll also be the re-break of the current daily low. Okay, does that make sense? Drop a W in the chat if that makes sense to you and understand what I've just spoken about on gold. And then we can hop onto GJ and see what we have over there. Okay. Leron, good morning. Blessed day to you as well. George, good morning, my G. Lance, good morning. Tatum, good morning. Sam the man, morning all. Love you. Love you too, my brother. Love you too, bro. Cool. Cool. We got it. So you'll see today's we're playing in a bit of a choppy area, but it's pretty much in the phase where it's going to get the direction for the rest of the week. That's one thing we can say now. Are we going to get a trade? More than likely we'll get a trade. However, we need to wait for setup. It's not there yet. And then let's look at my first wife, which will be GJ. Let's see what's happening over here. Weekly, we can't read that yet because of the candlesticks that has already formed that huge liquidity sweeps. So first things first, on their daily, low and high. Let's go. Current daily low, gotta get that out. And then current daily high, gotta get that out. Leron, so if price UTS QP area around 23, 25 and hold sells, it will be possible. Yes, sir. The retest of that area, grab a volume. We'll anticipate then if it rebreaks at 50 and 30 minute demand, we can then continue the flood to the downside. Okay. Cool. Set sorted. Let's go. GJ, current daily high marked, current daily low marked. Because for me, the re-break of either of those areas should start to induce some volume. Now, first things first on that oh, that's an hourly, my bad. On that 4 hour, let's get our liquidity zones ready. Where is this thing now? Sorry guys, I just had a quick little brain fog there. It happens. I think it's this new playlist. This playlist I feel like is making my kop die mekaar. I'm not even joking. Right. Okay, I got it. First area is going to be the current 4 hour resistance that I've just formed, as well as my lows, and then as well as the mid. All right, those are my 4 hour areas. 3 4 hour areas that is tradable for me. Look, I can throw this in for you, but it's not really important, because if I'm longing, I'm going to do to QP, and if I'm shorting, I'm going to do to QP either way. We know area where I want QP areas. 4 hour, still bullish. 30 minute, let me see. Still bullish. Okay, very nice. GJ is probably going to be the preferred trade today. It's just much more cleaner, boys. It's just much more cleaner. Before I do the continued breakdown on GJ, for those that are pulling up for the first time, today is my giveaway day, so do stay tuned until the end of stream. And then if you aren't subbed to the channel, do drop that sub and do drop a like on the stream as well. Seems like 33 people is ready for today's giveaway. Vote in that poll. There's about 55 odd Mensa in the chat right now. If you are ready for today's stream, vote on that poll. If you are ready for the giveaway, vote on that poll. Giveaway is happening at the end of stream, so that could happen at any time. So don't even try to jump in and out. Hi sir, are you giving away a trade today? Yeah, trades are given away for free every day. This is what I'm about to give you today. Is going to be a possible life changer for those that take this shit serious. All right. Looking at the 4 hour, this is, oh, I love this actually. Look at the 4 hour, we had a 4 hour resistance. This was that drive. This is price pulling back, grabbing liquidity, and slowly starting to ascend to the upside. GJ is one of those pairs today where you close your eyes and the break of the resistance you buy. Straight up. It's going to be easy. Okay? You've got your far resistance there, you got your far resistance there. As you can see, you are starting to trade to the upside. That's what we want to see for price to come back to QP 198129, and then possibly even fill that week high of the weekly over there. It's easy today, boys. Like I don't even need to say much regarding analysis. It's easy. What am I seeing on that 30-minute will obviously give you the insight as to where I want to look for my opportunities for where is this? Yes, okay, I love it, guys. I really like it. So the hourly, I'm not going to be too phased about that because you are in that Asia range right now. So we've been ranging since, yeah, Asian session. So Asian session. And this is going to be my areas for me at the moment, boys. This is a no trade range. Why is not selecting? Select. What? Why is not selecting? There we go. This will be safe buys for me. I'll tell you how I'm going to take it as well. Okay. So on the buy side of things, guys, if you look at our bias, we are overall bullish on our pair for 4v0. So it's one of those days, honestly, where you just close your eyes and buy. However, there is always going to be that possible scenario where price can obviously drop, right? So we need to be accountable for that and see how it goes. 1 year free mentorship would be great. That's Mel, bro. Unfortunately, it's not that. Miles, if it's part of the course, no problem. But how do you know where to mark out your current daily high and low candle? Okay, I'll explain that to you just after analysis. Okay. Let me just see. So the 30-minute, I'm gonna add in this zone as well, which is gonna be the sweep lows of that, lows there. Because this will also be a demand area. Yeah, look, guys, today for me overall, I'm just looking to buy on GJ. So for me, what I want to see is I'm going to look for type 1 or type 4, which will be the break of this liquidity zone on top here for price to drive to QP and then extend further into that liquidity zone. That's what I want to do there and continue this uptrend that we have right now. It's going to be so simple. However, on the contrary, if it is looking to short, I can only short below there because that is my 2 candlestick pullback. And I'll then also use these areas as rejection zones that if price does pop back down, I won't be executing in phase 1. I'll be executing in phase 2, which will be the easier shorts alongside the LTA on the left hand side, which is the LTA. So yeah, guys, I don't have to say much. It's really going to be simple today. Now, obviously, it is going to take a bit of time to get that set up, but once that setup has arisen, it should be relatively easy for us to take positions, boys. It's very straightforward today. Look, at the end of the day, gold has some waiting time and GG also has some waiting time, so we can expect a possible trade. I'm not going to say the time because then you're going to get people that's going to leave and come back within that time, and I don't have time for stream hoppers. So this is going to be the play on the type 1 for me. Will be price starting to ascend, creating higher highs and higher lows within the candlestick anatomy, looking like this. Okay, and then the breakout candle will be where I'll be looking to do a type 1. Okay, type 1, we know by now what it is. How I execute it, it's a bit different, right? The closure above there will initiate some type 4s. Once I get closure above, retest the area, grab liquidity, flip and drive. Very similar to yesterday's trade. Almost identical to yesterday's trade because we did type 4. Let me not say yesterday's trade. It's identical to every type 4. What am I saying? You will then anticipate that price can then drive to that QB zone, and then we should have another banger today. So that is on the long side of things. On the short side of things, guys, if we look, for me, we can tap into that area, grab liquidity, because the question is always which liquidity areas need to be tapped into before we can grab and start moving. We've already technically tapped into that zone, so we don't have to tap in again. However, if we do pop into that area, start to drive away, I will not look for shorts there. I'll look for shorts here as a type 4. And that's going to be the only two plays for me. It's either going to be the type 1 or type 4 longs in that area, or it's going to be the type 4 shorts over there. This for me is going to be a no trade range. Okay. Unless we start seeing something different as time goes on, but at the moment, this is it, boys. It's a straightforward day. Yeah, it's a straightforward day. We know what we want. We're just going to have to be patient to wait for that. On the news front of things, nothing. Nothing really. Yeah, nothing news-wise that's going to make me think or do whatever. Seems like gold is grabbing some volume. We do have London open in the next 2 minutes, boys. I think for gold, let me just go ahead because I'm going to pan on GJ for a session. I'm going to pan on GJ and then have an alert on gold over there. And then also alert on... No, I think that's fine for now. Let me actually be notified once it gets into liquidity, because from liquidity I can look for type 3s as, alright? Okay, but doubles in the chat if you understand that it's on GJ and gold. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah. Go. Right, what am I seeing in the stream? Minimum 50 likes for giveaway to happen. That's actually a great idea. Let's see here. How many Oaks is watching it? 56. Guys, I'm gonna do a minimum of 40 likes before I'll even think of doing a giveaway. Someone said they're not ready for the giveaway. Someone doesn't like free shit. Yeah, a minimum of 40 likes. So if you haven't liked the stream, run up those likes. If you aren't subbed to the channel, remember, in order for you to be part of the competition, you have to be a sub to the channel. You have to follow my business page on Instagram. The link is there in the description. And then also you need to like the current stream. Okay, so what did I miss? Everybody understands what I've been doing so far. Why is my ears just went blocked? Okay, Vince, I'll answer that question in a second. Johannes, good morning, my man. Insane Hog. I'm just gonna call you Hog. Good morning, Miles, my South African mentor. What's up, my G? Dazzy, if you're a stream up, no giveaway for you. Yes, this guy don't play, bro. Yeah, for sure. There are no puppers and dippers, guys. If you're here just for the trades, I think you're in the wrong place. High is daily bullish. It is. It says it there. Do you mean current daily or previous daily? I don't know what you're on about. Which one do you mean bullish, brother? They're all bullish. All bullish. Vince, yeah, Vince, you'll find it while yeah, people will join the stream just to send signals to their little communities. It's fucking wild, yeah. Nice and clear, perfect. W miles, simple and logical for sure. Becky Bags, what's up? Just relax. Now gotta make the bread myself for sure, for sure, for sure. Cool. How do I determine the candle high and low? So just a quick little understanding. a candle consists of 5 things, right? Which is going to be the high, the low, the open, the close, and the body. Okay? So in order for me to understand that, every single candle, believe it or not, prints data. Okay? So I focus a lot on my market structure in alignment with my candlestick anatomy. Okay, I just gotta stop this, guys. You know what? I thought because of the lo-fi complaints that I would change the stream music to something that you guys can like maybe relate to, but honestly, I can't do that shit. It is making my brain dear mekaar. So we're gonna go back to elevator music, just because, damn, that other wild stuff, man. I just can't keep my cop concentrated. So yeah, he's not in the suit again. Can we at least add a tie? Oh wait, tomorrow we'll put it. Chris Light Brown, where's it at? He's gonna play just now. See, I can deal with that soft stuff. But look, guys, if you have any stream players that you found, you understand, send it to me. Because yesterday, me and Simeon, I think, Simeon, what time were we on? Bro, I think we worked some stream things like past 1 this morning. And that's what we found. We found some wiki wiki woo music. 1? Yeah, nah, I'm done. So I can't deal, bro. I can't deal with it. It's gonna have to be this elevator music until I can find a decent couple of playlists that don't make me dear mekaar. Yeah, so like I just mentioned, a candlestick consists of 5 things. So I use it very important because every single candle's wick, high and low, will act as a resistance and support, believe it or not. So that's something you'll pick up as well. So I'm not going to go in too much depth with that because that is obviously part of course. So yeah, Calvin, I don't know if you're in the live, but I'll get back to your message as soon as we're done here. So to determine my daily highs and lows, it's simply as going to the daily candle and finding the high of the body, high of the low. It's as simple as that. However, what I use it for is to gauge upon momentum, and then with every candlestick open and close, high and low on every time frame, I use that as data to use it to obviously trade forward. It's as simple as that, but it is part of my course. I'm not going to get in too much depth of it, but honestly, guys, I don't know what you're waiting on. If you want to level up your trading, my mentorship is in the description. So I feel like you yourself are wasting your time if you aren't part of the MFX community, really. You know, the proof is in the results, the proof is in the pudding. I feel like on stream you are gonna catch a lot of tips, but you won't become, well, maybe, I don't know, but I highly doubt you'll become consistent by just watching me live on stream. It'll teach you a lot, but you need that mentorship. You need the foundation of the course. To try and pick stompies on stream, I think you can only get that far. So if you really want to change your trading style, or trading style, but your trading journey, just join the mentorship. It's super cheap. It is really cheap. $47. It's ridiculously cheap. Because it's literally $47 jam-packed into 7 years of my experience into that. So to be dead honest with you boys, the $47, it won't be that cheap. The price is gonna go up very soon, just because at the end of the day, the knowledge that is in there, it's ridiculous. And on YouTube we showcase that every day as to how ridiculous it is, right? But yeah, boys, that's my analysis. Now it's pretty much just waiting time. We do have London open over there. So yeah, we wait. You like the wiki woo ha? Like, bro, I can't, dude. I can't. If it's a bit less wiki woo ha, then I think I'll play it. But for now, it was making me dear mekaar. It's just making my cool swag. Did you get to watch Arthur King? I didn't, bro. I didn't. I'll try again today. For sure, Vince, I got you, bro. I got you. Can you DXY analyze trade gold? No. can take the dollar index and go put it next to ICT. Price will go up. Petrol is going up. Yeah, life is tough, bro. You gotta you gotta pay for investments into yourself, unfortunately. Play some coal. Unfortunately, we can't. We will get copyrighted. But for real though, YouTube, if you have found good non-copyright music, send it to me. I'll pump it on stream. Because we need lots of playlists. Without, like, things that is non-copyrighted. So you can be like commercial music, but it needs to be like remixed, like maybe the vocals of maybe Drake with the backing track of Taylor Swift or some shit like that. But it has to be redone. Because YouTube does not play. They will take the stream down like this. Use the dollar index for USD tech. Yeah, exactly that. I'll play some piano for you, Miles. Your piano? You playing piano? I feel like you can play instrument though. I feel like you can. Those for the subs, shot for the subs. Gold? What about gold? What about gold? What about gold? No. Why would you say that on stream? Now it's gonna play in my head the whole time. Anyone ask you here for BTC or Eurotron? Yeah, people will come and asking for analysis, but it's in the description. Where it's just gold and GJ boys. Mokoena Pepsi, what's up? Start for the sub, my man. WSP Chia Lang Lang. Charisma. Oh, these subs are going. How much subs are we on, dude? How much subs are we on? Road to 1,000. Let's get it. 530. 70 subs for 600. We're moving, boys. We're moving. We are moving. Zach Gemini, good morning, my G. Hope you're doing good. Jordan, we need one more like for 50. Then we have Jordan's wish. Jordan's wish used to get 50 likes on stream today. Can we get 50 likes for Jordan? I eliminated my watch list after Jordan influenced me. That's good. I can tell you now, whatever Jordan's going to influence you to do is good because he's one of my students. You could always check out non-copyrighted sounds. So I did. I used... What is that? It's like a royalty... What is that? What is that site? There is a site that I used. I did get it there, but they're also like so limited, bro. Like they're a bit limited to what I want and what they provide. Honestly, if we could get like commercial music that is just non-copyrighted because of the backing track, that would be great. So if we have any DJs, let me know. Producers, let me know. Otherwise, Knowles, your brother. Vish, hello. 50? Bro, I think I just saw 50 and then went to 49. Who's trolling me? Who's trolling me, bro? One more like to 50 and I think, yeah, we're definitely gonna be set for Jordan, eh? Where's this? Let me just clear that trade's taken. Okay. $50 votes on the giveaway. Okay, seems like people are ready, bro. But yeah, giveaway is gonna come at the end of stream, so stay tuned. I'm gonna make it simple as well. There was a site that I found for like live stream comments to add that in, but it looks so complicated. I think the best thing to do is just to go through the comments myself. Thank you, Simeon and Darren. Relax. Relax. Yeah, you two are problems. Guys, my friends is problems. Who wants 2 friends? I'll give you 2 friends. Derek, good morning. Let me guess, the giveaway is a funner challenge? No. Guys, for me, like, you're gonna guess what the giveaway is, but for me, there's no point in me giving you money. There's no point in me giving you a funner challenge, because what are you gonna do with it? I'd rather give you something that could change your life. If you apply yourself. Because I could give you something and you can just flop with it, you know? Do I want to know? Check out Gary USD, please. Just as I want to know where you found that bear. What the fuck is on that? Gary USD. Wow, crazy. Free mentorship course, is it for a lifetime? This guy, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Imagine I must mentor you to become a 6-figure trader for free for the rest of your life. So, wow. Are you crazy? Guys, you will find a scammer as quickly as when they say their course involves lifetime signals or lifetime mentorship. That's one of the quickest way to find a scam. So go to that, people. Let's see if you're gonna get lifetime mentorship. Guys, where's the GTI? Fuck me. That is wild. I can guarantee you now, with the exposure that's going on for all your favorite scammers, that GTI from X amount of people wasn't even a free giveaway. He just made someone stand in front of the GTI and pretend he gave it away. Don't be fooled by these scammers, boys. Yeah, but seeing that you new year, seeing that you are new year, sub to the channel, like the stream. What's the way? Guys, I already know what I'm giving away. I'm not gonna change it. Relax. Lifetime signals 100 rand. Fuck, bro. That's a brilliant way to scam people, eh? For sure, George. No stress. Honda S2000, please. Going to Honda Day tomorrow. Oh, bro, take me with. Take me with to Honda Day. Take me with, bro. Honda Day. Yeah, that's mad. Where do you... Guys, the giveaway is gonna be a bar one chocolate for the 24-hour man. How's Charles gonna get to Cape Town from Swazi so quickly? Oh, I forgot he's a trader. He has a private jet. It's great. VTech. Oh, jet. No, it's Charles' cousin that's in Jamaica. Send that bar to Sri Lanka. Don't you guys get bars in Sri Lanka? Tough. You're missing out. But on the real though, when I was younger, bar was like a life changer for me. And for the older ones, you remember that fast forward chocolate that made your tongue blue? And it had 18 on the packet. I used to feel like a rebel when I used to eat it. Yeah, my mom used to let me eat it. But I eat it in the stilter. Why is your tongue blue? I don't know, it's sherbet. Volume, volume, volume. We need some volume. Look, for me, I really think that if we break the support, we should drop down, but I just don't want to take shorts against structure. Look, it's not against the overall structure, but it's against the retracement that I'm seeing. It makes sense though, it makes sense. Gee whiz, how big is this range? Whoa, 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 wait a minute. I don't think we took into consideration this range. Jeez. Nothing less than a 45 of stop loss. Hello, hello, morning, hi, how are you?
Good, eh? I'm good.
That's great, what's up?
Morning, everybody else.
They don't talk, bro. They don't talk. They're silent. I was convinced. Look at this 18. Crazy nostalgia. No bar on the side, bro. Only Jamal. I think it was the thing with fast forward was just because it had that the 18 and older thing that you wanted.
How long that you can have the type S to sell and you can buy and sell on?
Used to buy and sell Hondas, then I moved to trading to buy and sell. Well, my friend Two Smoke Folks, my friend Two Smokes Folks has a K24 Type S for sale. If you want to buy and sell that.
75k, bro.
75k. Garage park. Only has 140 on the clock. Sabotage we go, yeah. Architect must make this association.
Well, Hans, if you come to PE, you can just come fetch the car and you have a look though.
Would you sell on a moving candle or want a close below on the gold shorts? Look, at the moment there is a support right here. So we have formed a support on this area over there. So for me, if anybody is looking to short gold, it's going to be a very aggressive trade, but you'd want to see this 15/30, right? Because that's in the next 8 minutes. 15/30 to close beneath that area, and once you then get that, you'd want the tap back in, the grab on liquidity, understand this would be a type 4, and then look to drive price down. I actually like the gold setup for shorts. It's failing to breach these highs, forming lower lows and lower highs within that structure. The closure below and the break of that 5-minute floor, which you can see here, because you are in a range at the moment. That's your range. The break of the floor should initiate some short positions. Preferably get that close below, unit. Once you get that, my stop is going to be 45. Has to be. OTP?
So much like
Yeah. And the thing that I'm also going to comment on that is you are going to be taking the final third. That is going to be the thing. So, depending on how it looks and how it closes, I just think this is going to be the easiest short position here. That's just, yeah. Oh, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Look, that can definitely play out. There's just going to be a bit more of an aggressive sort of outlook on it, and also your idea will also be that, like I said in the beginning of the analysis, you can't really use it because of where it is at, but you are re-breaking that current day low. The thing for me is I don't like that there's that body there, but the nice thing is if I break that body, it's more than likely to fill these wings. How far is that next body low? It's there.
I only fear in this type of trade when we into it, we get into it, and
You have fear? Take that back. You can't have fear on these charts.
how many times I burn my thumbs here in this place.
Can't have fear, boys. You have to be fearless in the charts. Look, with every trade, you're gonna have pros and cons. So, as long as it lines up with the majority of your checklist and majority of your, what do you call it? Your plan, it should be good. I mean, yesterday's trade, which we won, we had cons on the trade. It's normal. So let's see here, boys. We might get a closure below, and closure below will induce some shorts. It will induce some shorts, eh? Also, it's the final day of April. What's gonna happen on the final day of April? Tomorrow we are in May, bro. Gee whiz. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy, dude. Okay, breaking that floor right now. Have to. Right. Chat, what did I miss?
My name was Mauser, that's why
That's what I read that down, bro. I'm trying to catch up to the comments, bro.
So where you from? What team did you come from?
I don't think YouTube can hear you, bro.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. But Zoom members, if you want your face on screen so people can see how handsome and beautiful you are, let me know. I'll put it there. Where? Cloudy Trades, what's happening? Sorry guys, I'm just catching up to all of this. Gee whiz. I don't know that. If my name is Miles, I would buy it. On YouTube's actually, no, I don't know. Joshua Swartz, why am I the only... What? Why am I the world's best demo trader, but when it comes to the live markets, I flop left and right? Psychology.
Charles' answer was perfect.
Emotions, yeah. And also because you're not an MFX student. That's why.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing. You aren't one of the MFX boys, so to level up your trading, just join the community. Once you join there,
It won't fit you anyway, you just confuse yourself first. If you want that big class.
I don't think they can hear what you're saying, bro. Charles can hear? Oh, I don't. Okay. Yeah. So, who's that? Who was that? What is wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? Why do you sound like that? Yeah, he had a hectic weekend. Ah, nou is jy in die kak. He's gonna play kissing catches on the weekend. Nou is jy in die kak. Is that what Nizer does to you? Come back instantly, you're sick. Ah, it's that Western Cape water. I didn't know because I didn't talk to anyone today. Hectic. Sounds like you're smoking 5 Lucy's every day. What is that? I hope he does. I talk to my dogs. Did you ever tell your dog your name? Just make sure you tell your dog your name. Because then you might go like 4 years without knowing your name. It's like, ooh, what's this guy's name? I just want to name him something. Short gold? If you want a short gold, go for it, my brother. I'm not holding your hands. But MFX Ryan. That's Dusty Ryan. Ryan, bro, I miss you actually. I haven't heard and seen from you in a minute, bro. How are you, my brother? Lekker, I think. Is I think so, Ezra. I think so, Ezra. Darren is on something today, bro. No trade on gold, boys. No bottom wick, no top wick. So if you're taking this, GG, bro. Good luck. For me, the only time I want to be shorting gold is going to be here. This is now an invalid setup that is not tradable according to MFX strategy. So yeah, man, it's going to be waiting time. No, Jason, what did you give this guy? What did you give this guy? No bottom wick within liquidity is a sign of reversal, which you are seeing now, which doesn't mean it's going to change the trend overall, but it means that you're going to retrace. And with that being said, with me seeing the idea behind it is that price drives into a liquidity area at the last couple seconds / minute to grab liquidity to go the opposite direction. That's what it does, because you need to understand that in order for price to move, it needs to tap into these liquidity areas, and that IE means that it needs that liquidity to place orders. I hope you guys understand the crux behind Forex trading, like what is actually going on besides these candlesticks that look so nice every day. Like the crux behind it all. What is actually going on here? You guys do realize what's going on here behind it, right? So yeah, look, we could definitely still run down, but for me, I'm not going to be trading with no previous candle bottom wick in the liquidity area, and at the same time also in an area that is so close to so close to support, which is in my final third. For me, the sells, boys, it's going to have to be below here now. If it does drop and someone does take the trade, GG to you, but for me personally, according to my strategy, I think there's about 40 pips of room left. Let me see. 20. Is it worth my risk? No, it's not worth it, boys. So it's going to require me to sit on my hands today, well, right now, and just watch it go. Just watch it go, right? Oh, are you also a 5-second chart trader? Are you a minute man? Bright Projects, what's up, my brother? How are you doing on this fine Tuesday? Boys, let's run up those subs. Let's run up those likes. Giveaway happening at the end of the stream. Yeah, man, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We stream every day, Monday to Thursday, 8:30 GMT +2. And then on Fridays, we stream for the private MFX members only. And then as simple as to level up your trading, you know what? There's this magical button. You click there, you sign up, you join, you apply yourself, you learn how I trade, you get mentored by me, and you level up your trading. It's simple. If you want to use the broker that I use, there it is. And also requirements for the MFX giveaway, you need to be a follower of the business page. So do yourself a favor, go do that things. Also get involved in the course before the price goes up. Price will be increasing soon. It will no longer be $47. So those that are in the MFX group and is paying $47 already, don't worry, for you it will stay that price. But for new Owens, it will increase to the new price. I'm not going to tell you guys when the price is going up, but if you want to level up your trading, I would highly recommend you get involved as soon as possible. It's super. I'm a nice guy, bro, really. I'm really a nice guy. It's ridiculously cheap, boys, for the education that you get and the mentorship. I think beyond the education is the mentorship. Cool, great, man. Yeah, sure. Yes, that's cock. What's happening on the crypto front? Where's my crypto boys at? What's happening there? Yeah, you would think by now it would have rallied because of the halving. Eh? It's just nothing's happening. Bro, that was a Mursa anticlimax. Jeez, someone bought 420. What? Yeah, $420,000 of Bitcoin at the top. RIP to that, dude. What is that? It's like 9 million. 9 million ZAR. That's ridiculous, bro. $68. What is yesterday's top out? I think yesterday's top out was like what was yesterday's top out? I think we got like 70 viewers yesterday actually. I think so. I want to join the course, but I'm still saving up funds to trade. Guys, if you haven't, look, this is for everybody now. Whether you've traded already or you think you know how to trade, when you join a course, don't put money in yet. Don't start trading yet. Whether it be my course or Monkey Business's course or whoever's course, doesn't matter. If that course is proven to work, back test it before you trade it. Because if you've learned, say for example, you've been trading for 4 years, you know this way of trading. Now we're going to teach you, or this person's going to teach you the correct way of trading, right? Don't involve your own funds. Don't also let your holdback be, I'm going to take the course when I have money. Don't let that be it. When you take the course, money shouldn't be part of the equation. Until you're consistent, until you see profit returns on a demo account, then you can go and fund your own capital to trade with. Or do a prop firm challenge, whatever your idea is. But this is something that a lot of people don't understand, especially new traders that are coming to the space this year or last year. They think that the escape to financial freedom is in a prop firm. I can sure as shit tell you it's not. It is still the education and the skill in your brain. If you don't know how to trade, whether it be a 1 rand or a million rand, the finances is not going to make a difference. You need to focus on getting educated. Once you are educated, then gaining the experience. Once you gain the experience, the skill will be acquired. When you have that, then you apply it into actual live trading and account. And then at that point, then you should start seeing consistent returns. But to just take a course and then Suma expecting to make money, or not even make money, but Suma expecting to trade the next day, I would not recommend that. The biggest... That's it. Yeah, I think Charles joined like last month. Yeah, bro. I think Charles like a month in and his win rate's like on 91%. So he's absolutely slaughtering the markets at the moment. But the main thing is that he focused on the educational side. In anything, boys, you gotta get educated first. Join the 1st of March. That's mal, dude. That's mad. That's not even a month. No, it is a month. It's a month and a half. What? My maths? 2 months. Going for 2 months. So, there's the biggest thing, boys. Get your foundation. When you come into the trading sphere, you should just focus on getting educated, building a foundation, study, get kosher. And then once you see that sort of progress within your journey, then you can start saying, okay, let me trade the large funds. Because this is, where's that other dude now? That dude that's consistent on a demo but not in live? That is why. There's more to trading than just this. I mentioned it yesterday. It's your psychology, it's your risk plan, it's a lot of shit. It's a lot of shit, man. So yeah, that's where we come in and we fine tune you and get you to the point of profitability. Obviously, you have to bring your side. Because I can provide you with everything. The MFX members can be there for you, but if you're gonna be lazy or not do what is told to you in the course, it's not going to happen for you. Because I've literally had students that will come, they'll take the course, but because they don't want to actually learn, they want to keep themselves clever and still do it their way, even after taking the course, they go through Find a Challenge like it's nobody's business because they don't want to learn. You have to be as old as you are, no matter how tall or short you are, no matter how big or fat you are, no matter your age, your race, doesn't matter. Even if you are a 6-figure trader already, you must still have that art of humility. Be humble. Be always wanting to learn more. That is probably the biggest thing as an entrepreneur, is never think you know everything. Always have the ear and the mindset to want to learn more. You can obviously... Yeah. Oh, 100%. 100%. 100%. Look at that perfect example. Look at that dude that pulled up to the YouTube stream. He wasn't one of my students, but apparently he got funded $400,000. And he doesn't know how he got funded $400,000. Any monkey can go and pass a profit challenge. But can they consistently trade the account? That is the biggest thing. Because it's one thing to pass the challenge, guys, but to consistently trade the account, that's the biggest thing. I don't know, this is the unfortunate thing about the fortunate thing of prop firm space. People think it's a solution to life. It's not. Promise you it's not. It can be used as a tool to help you get immense amounts of finances once you are educated. So whether it be with me or any other dude, wherever, that can prove to you he can trade, invest in your education, my guys. That's something I did in the beginning of my trading. I paid the price. However, this monkey taught me cuck. He taught me absolute bullshit. He taught me how to draw a fucking trend line. So was it a waste of my money? Yes and no, because yes, he taught me the wrong thing, but no, because it then instilled a fire inside of me to understand that there's a lot of money to be made in this Forex industry. I just have to get educated the right way. So I self-taught myself for 2.5 years, and here I am 7 years later as a full-time 6-figure trader. So it takes time, but if you have the right manier to guide you, I think your process should be sped up and also easier. It's not going to eliminate the issues. There's still going to be times when you are having psychological battles and all that stuff, but that's how we fine tune it. You will still go through your trader ebbs and flows, which is good. That is what builds you as a resilient trader. That is what gets you to the point of being able to manage substantial amounts of funds and not having emotion towards it. So for me, there's no limits in trading, it's just plateau. So every step you go through is just going to make you a better trader. But literally, I can meet someone that's been trading for 10 years and they're not consistent. And I can meet an MFX student that's been trading for 2 years and he's killing it. So it's not how long you have been in the game, but how long have you been trading correctly. That's what I've realized as well, because I've told people that have been trading for far longer than I have, and they had to then find their consistency through the way I trade. That's true. Yeah, true, bro. Yeah. That's very true. Yeah. Exactly, bro.
Not like you're gonna be here for the next 10 years or whatever.
For sure.
Do it on your own.
Yeah. Look, that's what you want. You want to be that independent trader. So build your foundation properly, and then after that you should be set. For sure. Especially after one spent thousands on stuff not working to find the real deal. I like what you said, markets been here before, why complicated? Yeah, dude. Like I mentioned in almost every stream, people love to complicate nonsense. It's almost like, what's a good? Let's double check that I'm saying it right. Fuck, I can't find that. It's fine. But yeah, we're trying to keep everything as simple as possible, dude. You don't know what a prop firm is? That's good. Keep it like that. That's gonna save you a lot of headaches. Prop firms can help you. They can be good. They can be all that jazz, but there's nothing better than trading your own capital. Obviously, a prop firm can be used as a tool to get capital, for sure, but it's nothing better than your own capital, guys.
When is the right time to have a fund account?
When is the right time to have a fund account?
Like, not that.
After you can show that on a demo account you're at least seeing some sort of consistent returns. And then from that,
If you can manage a small account to grow it, maybe $100 to 500 or 1,000, you want bigger capital, then maybe take it down.
I think I also feel like if you can fund any account, whatever size it is, and you can for at least 6 months return between 5 and 10%, I think you're ready to take the next step. Or even, nah, it's not. It's not how your mind should be in the beginning. It should definitely be part of the process, but I don't think you trying to flip accounts or grow in $100 to 500 is to say that you can trade. I think just focus on percentage return, any account size, because honestly, if you have the bigger mindset and you don't see yourself only trading $100 for the rest of your life, which is the perfect one, and you do plan on becoming that 6, 7, 8 figure trader, which is a good mindset to have, you don't need a huge percentage return every month. You don't. Just do the maths. It will literally blow your mind as to how you understand that it's not necessarily you can't trade, but you're catching on nonsense because you aren't happy with the dynamic of the monetary value that returns. So rather just focus on the percentage growth on $100 as if you're trading it as if you're trading $100,000. And if you can consistently return between 2, 5, 10% every month, bro, you're styling. 2% of $100,000 is $2,000. In South Africa, that is way above the average person's salary. It's 40k, 40,000 rand. You understand? So it's your journey can literally bounce from being here to being there so quick if you just focus on the foundation first, and that is learning, being mentored, being guided. The money, I say it and I'm not being cocky, it's actually hard to not make money when you're uneducated. You will literally have to go catch on shit. But if you are educated, you have your discipline, you have your routine, the money comes regardless. Like, you won't think twice. The money's just there. That is because you took the right direction. But if you want to focus on the money first and forget about the actual foundation, I promise you that's when you're going to be a stream hopper. That's when you're going to be trying to, be up and down, because you're focusing on the wrong things. You're focusing on the money. You don't want to get educated because you think that you can do this shit for free. It's not going to happen, bro. Unfortunately, it's not going to happen. It's going to take cuck long if it's going to work out for you. Especially, wait, where is it? Do you find your bias looking at the daily trend? No. My bias is found on weekly, daily, 4 hour, 30-minute off of market structure. That's how I find my bias, my brother. Really want no, man. Why would you sing that song? I did not want to jump in the yard today. Fuck, the whole day yesterday I'm jumping in the yard, maybe. I literally need. I will actually rather sing "I Want to Be Ninja," in opposed to that. That's Jordan's favorite number, yeah. Oh Ryan. Damn. We are the cool cats. Yes. Fuck. There's always something, eh? I think I need to remove TikTok from my phone. I would not have been on social media if it wasn't for the business. Because the trends that's happening, bro, like these songs that get played and they get stuck in your head is actually ridiculous. Can I ask, what is the story with jumping the yard? I have been lost on it. I can share the video with you, but you're going to hate me after that.
Yeah, because it's just so bad.
Where is...
And then basically a robber tried to jump in someone's yard and they were like caught him and made him sing a song. Sing I number?
That's, yeah, Net, I did share it with you. Yo, what are we doing to you, Net? You still like... Net is focused, bro. She doesn't have time for this stuff. My girl is focused. She has no time for none of that. She's locked in, bro.
How many girls do we have in the YouTube chat? Women. Are there any women in the YouTube chat?
Probably only two. Becky and Net. Probably only them. If you're a female, everybody's now gonna fucking say they're a woman. If you are a female in the YouTube chat, put a 1. I'm sure it's just like 99% is just males. Which is bad, because ladies, you gotta empower yourself and you gotta get this bag. I don't believe Zach's a girl. I don't believe that. Not being on social media opens your mind. You see my boy Lance. My boy Lance, he's locked in. He's locked in. But he still goes on his wife's profile. just Damn, my boy Lance is locked in, bro. He doesn't have time for that bullshit. He's too busy with Honda life. Honda boy. Guys, we are low volume on GJ. Gold is sitting at support. No girls in the... There's no girls in the YouTube. So we have... we have 70 guys. 70 guys. One girl. I can only see the analytics off the stream. For sure, bro. For sure. We're only here to grow. I'm telling you, bro. 100,000 followers are gonna tap into that. Watch it. Not followers, subscribers. 61 likes. Yo, you guys are hungry for the stream. The peak was 75 people there. Because we got 75 votes, so it must be that. Plus that too, so it's 77 views. That's mal. Charles? Girls can have guys' names for sure. No, 100%. But I don't know. I do not believe Zach is a female. A whole lot of willies in the chat. Trading with Cosme, shot for the sub, my G. We got 9 subs this stream so far. Run it up, boys. Run it up. Straight drop. No, I didn't. Straight drop Fendi Puma gang. I'll leave the people in suspense. They're gonna need to guess what it is. It's not money. It's not food. Someone asked for food. I can Uber Eats you something. I can Uber Eats you a Gatsby. Just as a Gatsby. I wanted a Gatsby of it. Fendi Puma gang, what's up, my G? Ding dunked wings. Yeah, the giveaway guys gonna be KFC. A whole bucket maybe. That's jokes. I'm a broer. I knew it. Uber Eats made lemon. Simon, I'm telling you. Ginger, cayenne pepper, honey and lemon. Crush it up with hot water. Drink it. You'll be fine tomorrow. Try it out. Because Everflu is they're only there to prevent flu. It's just a vitamin C booster. Call me Dr. Miles. Dr. Miles Monroe. Remember that week when we went to St. Francis and that whole week I was sick for my birthday? That shit, I promise you, I was sick for like 4 days. Then I took that stuff. Bah, I'm fixed. I could kiss Aaliyah the whole weekend. She doesn't get sick. Nothing. Perfect. That's actually what I was sad for. I was like, yo, now I can't even play with Aaliyah maybe. I wasn't worried about St. Francis. Get you a flu shot from Kauai, works like a bomb. I think it is very similar to that. Like they pop in the same stuff over there. Ed, what's up, my brother? How are you doing today? Are you fresh? That cayenne pepper moved me last night, this morning. Look, you mustn't overdo it. Like I think it's like just like half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper within that concoction, and then you can obviously add more if you want. But I think the killer there is the ginger. The killer there is that ginger, the lemon, obviously the cayenne, and the turmeric. Turmeric, yeah. Uber pack is that jungle oats. I've got some overnight oats here for you. Where's Blackface this morning, Ruel? Slaap je nog? 10 o'clock closure coming in 3 minutes. Let's see, still sleeping? Yeah. What did he work? 210 yesterday. 10, 210. No, 10-2. 610. 6-2. I can't keep up to date with these shifts. Volume. I heard a rumor that someone burns veggies so they don't have to eat them. Oh. That sounds like something Darren would do. Darren lives off an air fryer. 210? Tough. Tough. And he's still sleeping though. The fuck? Papu. Papu. Oh, he's not in the chat. Llewellyn is. His housemate. Volume, volume, we need volume. 10 o'clock. According to statistics, most of our trades is between 10 and 11. Why do you trade London session instead of the NY session? For me, it's based off of the pairs I trade in alignment with my life. I am a morning person, so I prefer getting everything done in the morning. So I will trade London according to the pairs that move great in London, which is gold and GJ, and that's pretty much how I do it, brother. So I pretty much, yeah, what's that? What's the plan with gold? I did break it down, but the plan going forward, seeing that we need to adapt right now, is the break of the lows is the only plan I have for shorts on gold as a type 4. If price does start to rally to the upside, I'm not interested. Look, we could look for type 3s. That could be a play, but not yet, boys. Type 3s not yet. Type 3s will only happen above here. So what gold pretty much went and did now is pretty much come and grab some liquidity if it is going to go up. But I don't think that's the case. Honestly, for me, if we're gonna break through 23.12, we're gonna sink to QP. However, if we tap into these levels which you did right now and grab the liquidity to pop back up, I will look for possible type 3s with the idea that you have this sort of range on the left hand side. So you pretty much just want to trade that range, dude. Which will be this. But honestly, on both pairs, guys, I need more data, man. I need more data. There's not enough for me to get into any position right now. Even this type 3 idea, it's too early to even think about that. We need to grab liquidity. We haven't grabbed it yet. Pop into liquidity level, grab that liquidity, and then have the possible idea for longs from the low. It's still not going to be my primary target though. My primary target is to short it within this area. And the idea behind that is also understanding that you have your range to the left hand side. Once you start to break beneath that area, you grab liquidity. All you're going to do is just range trade exactly on the left hand side. That's all you'll be looking to do. So it's very straightforward. What does it require from you? It requires patience. That's all it requires. Just for you to be patient, for the setup to come to you, not to chase the setup. Once you have that, then you can look to take the trades. You with me? But until then, boys, there's nothing that we're going to be doing. Yeah, it's nothing we can do in the yard at all. Nah. It's nothing for us as of yet, boys. Let's move that there just in case I am on GJ. And then the GJ idea for GJ to grab liquidity, flip bullish, start to trade above 197.11. 7.11. I will then look for longs. Did you guys see the 7-Elevens in Japan? I need to go there one day. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that, dude. I saw that. no. Yo, almost clicked on the wrong thing.
Bro, did you go to the bathroom once?
Nah, why? Do you want volume?
Wow. Yeah, you're naughty bag.
I haven't been to the bathroom. No stress, brother. No stress, Jordan. Yeah. I've only had a liter for the day so far. So I'm still fine. Aniruddha Balakarishila. GU is a nice pair to trade, just give it a shot, brother. For 7 years, trust me, I've given everything a shot.
I said if you don't feel pain,
Oh, is that why? I didn't recognize why you're saying that. So I don't.
just come to the street for the first time, you're like, you just analyze it. Learn to trade, my friend, then you will do it yourself. You don't need other people.
I didn't even see that comment. Guys, I only trade GJ and gold. I've been in this industry for 7 years. In my first 2 years, I traded everything. Trust me, I traded everything. So that is how I formulated what I trade and what works for me. It works for me. It works for my students. I only trade GJ. I only trade gold. You don't need to trade multiple pairs to make money. You don't. You don't need multiple strategies to make money. You don't. The simpler you come to the charts, the easier it's going to be for you to make money. The moment you start having too many charts and being there and here and there, I guess for a swing trader it's different, but as a day trader, you don't need a lot of charts. One chart, if you just trade gold, you can make a ton of money. I know a lot of people that are multi-millionaires because of just keeping it simple. Simple. Simple on the charts, boys. And I know many consistent traders that only use one pair. They only trade gold. They only trade GJ. You don't need a lot of pairs. Cool. While we are 63 people, how long have you been trading for? How long have you been trading for in the chat? Let's see. And then next to that, put the country that you're from. So how long have you been trading, and put the country that you're from next to it. Don't put the flag. I guarantee you I'm not a geography guy. I will not know. Say where you're from. And like be real. Nah, be real. Be real. Be real. How long have you been trading and where you're from? Don't put a flag. 3 months India. Okay, awesome. Because if you put the flag, I don't smart to play a guessing game right now. 2 years Jordan. My barber, well, my old barber is actually from Jordan. Sri Lanka, almost 2 years. Sri Lanka, they're really good at cricket, eh? You play cricket? Do you enjoy that? No. 1 year India, but living in Dubai. Lackham, and how is it in? How is it in Dubai? Is nice. How was that storms, that hectic rain for you? Did you survive? Which one? The Senna or the V10 that blew up? So yeah. Wild. It's hectic. That's hectic. One year India. Big ups to India. Seems like we have a lot of gents from India. Big ups, man. Big ups. Love from India. Love from India. I don't know if Nolz's mic works on. Yeah, it's on, but like this is the same issue we had in the private Zoom. It doesn't pick up for some reason. Yeah, bro. Most most sport Sri Lanka didn't recruit me, so they're not so good in cricket anymore. Three years and 1 year consistent profitable from Egypt, living Cape Town profit. Great. Oh, nice, nice. 2.5 years South Africa, very nice. Storms were mad, brother, but thankfully people were safe. Tobias is a good bro. He's good, bro. Safe. Barely any crime and tax free. I like that last part. Tax free. Barely any crime. So is there crime? Like what type of crime? Because in my country we have criminals that is politicians right now. Or ex-cons that is ex-cons that is politicians right now. It's actually mal. Right? We have electricity now. Thank you, Lord. But don't speak about it. We might jinx it. How long has it been? It's been a while. Oh, it's because, guys, elections is coming up. That's why. Once elections is done, I'm gonna resume load shedding again. For those that's not from South Africa and you want to know what load shedding is, that's when officials from the municipality comes to your house and they switch your lights off. Like they come inside your joint and they put the light off. And if you like candles, they blow it out as well. It's wild, bro. So it's yeah, it's definitely elections, bro. Where is that volume today? That beautiful thing called volume on my broadband. No. Don't trade New York. We have routine. 2 pairs, 2 trades a day, 1 winner, I'm done. 1 session, I'm done. That's it. You don't need a lot of pairs, you don't need to trade a lot, and you don't need to trade multiple sessions to make money, boys. Keep it simple. And ask anybody that's either been a student or that knows me. My routine, my rules has been the same for years. Did you see that? The transition into possibly having a 24/7 market, not a 24/5. Did you guys see that? Very interesting. That's going to be bad. It's going to be bad because when do we switch off then? To be honest, I think I will still just trade Monday to Friday. You need your break. You need your balance in life. You need to take time off from the charts. You can't just, you know, go about trading every day. You will get burnt out. It's like any business, like any job. You need your break. You need your relaxed time. You need time for yourself. You need time for your family. You gotta prioritize. Overtrading messes with your mind and inner peace as a human, for sure. I 100% agree with that, Sam the man. 100% agree with that. So guys, if I don't get a trade by 11, I'm gonna call it a session. It'll be just a no trade day for me, and then we'll hop onto Wordle, do our Wordle, and then we'll do the giveaway straight after Wordle. One dude is gonna be a lucky dude today. Who's that dude going to be? You can't leave your 9 to 5 just to come back to a 9 to 5 in trading. Well said. I don't know where you heard that, but well said, brother. I believe the same thing. Believe the same thing, man. I trade for 3 F's in my life: freedom of time, freedom of choice, and can someone tell the other one? Freedom of finance. Guys, this is my cue. I need the bathroom. I will be back in a couple minutes. So when I get to the men's room, and I'll be back. Okay. Let me throw another poll. Volume coming now? Oh, so 81 votes. What? What? Do you have 80 viewers? Did we get 80 viewers? That is mal. Where is this? But yeah, boys, while I'm gone, for the 10% that isn't ready for the giveaway, it's fine. If you are new to the channel, like and subscribe. Let's get to 65 likes. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a jiffy. Any questions you can let me know. I will answer that when I come back. Okay.
Somehow. Pick on your leave is good for in your eyes. Lemon. Who's your friend who wants to play 24-hour mark? You know. Only be you. Oh, yo. Ek moer jou in jou daily COVID. Playing cards today or what? How many times did your Wi-Fi go off today? I haven't had mine hasn't been off yet today. It's so broken.
What's his Wi-Fi issues?
Yeah,
Okay.
so he's on the-
Are you guys playing Call of Duty right now? Oh wow. Playing card today or what? Stop the. What do you mean playing card? Oh, 9:30 volume coming in. But it's 16 minutes past 10. I hope the giveaway is a new pack. Oh, okay. Someone taking London time. Yeah, Simo doesn't. Are you voice banned on COD or are you like banned on COD? Like the whole game is just. The game ban? Bro, what do you guys. You and Calvin, what are you guys doing on the game? Like, how do you get banned from the whole game? What did you do? Is it that you're too good for the game? Or is it foul language? They suspect cheating, Joe. But those snipes are incredible. I'm not gonna lie, your snipes are incredible. Jordan's at his mom's house. and I think he's still waiting for his Xbox to arrive.
My man's gonna feel so happy when he gets it.
Yeah, he's gonna feel lekker. He's gonna feel lekker. Okay, boys, we're getting some volume here on gold. Can we start to penetrate these lows? Looking for the type 4 closure below the level, a resistance to form near that area of liquidity, and then look for shorts. Okay. But also, this can also just be a price to grab liquidity to pop back up. I will look for longs on the pop back up, but right now we just gotta sit tight and wait for volume to actually move where it needs to go. Sam the man said there's volume coming in 12 minutes. Bring on the volume, Sam. We will we will not do those things, Darren. We will not do those things. Where's the other one? Oh, your Wi-Fi? Your Wi-Fi is bad. Nah, I'm sure there is, bro. But GJ also just sitting. Gold just sitting. Look, where gold is at right now, it's a crucial point, boys. Because it's either going to use this area as liquidity to start doing type 3 moves, which I'll take, and then it's also going to be possible. Well, the other move will then be getting below liquidity, using it as resistance for type 4s. So from this area, more than likely, I'm going to get a trade. I'm going to get a setup. It's just waiting for the setup to arise, right? But the area that we're in right now will be playable for me. Not playable, tradable. Why can't you do music? Are you not on YouTube anymore? Nah. I think I can. Wait, let me check it. Zoom, does that play for you? Is it loud? Or is it like YouTube, like manageable? People in the Zoom, would you like a licky to laser to the licky or no? And volume wise, I won't be able to adjust the volume, so it's either it works for you on YouTube or on Zoom, or I'll just put it off on Zoom, because it's just overlaying from my stream into YouTube. Just let me know there anybody besides Darren. Well, how does it sound in Zoom? Yes, volume good. Do you want it on? Put a 1 in the chat if you want numbers on. Robbie doesn't like this. He wants what do you call it? I think it'll become monotonous. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put off, okay? can. But nah, I can play any music I want to Zoom because it's not on YouTube. But because YouTube is a streaming like a global streaming platform, whatever, you can't play copyright music. But I'm already getting feedback from YouTube, so if I have to play normal music, I'm gonna go mal in my kop. So I think for Fridays we'll just keep it there. Hi, His is my first day here. Welcome, His. Hope you are doing good, my brother. While it's your first day here, do drop a like on the channel and sub to the stream. We do this every day, Monday to Thursday, 8:30 GMT +2. That is London session. Yeah, man. Good. Mark Belay, laughing. Yeah, we gotta. Yeah, look, I noticed people don't like to wake up early, but it's also time zone. I think our time zone is also so out compared to other areas. No, I'm lying. Uncle Rob's is even here. What time is it there? Like 9:30. Was that? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Definitely, yeah. So what happens here is going to tell me a lot. We also have 4-hour close in the next half an hour. For sure, yeah, definitely. So pretty much just for the type 3s now, guys, I've got a resistance point there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this like this, and I'll understand that if price does start to trade back above the level, this is more than likely going to be a similar play from this area here. As you see, look to the left hand side, you've got your micro resistance there. If I look to the right hand side, can you see it's the same area? Everybody see that? Right. So this is what I'll do if it rejects this area. We then see that as a range, right? So let me show you. Range. Just take it to the right hand side. Range. You see that? So all I'm going to do is look for type 3, which means that once it, or if it does reject this area, so if it tests the area, rejects it, pops back up, I will look for type 3 longs. Okay.
Waiting for that 4-hour flip is too far away.
That's too far. It's too far. It's too far for me. Okay. And then also you'll be just mimicking this. So as price gets above, you look for the longs. Okay. So yeah, the 4-hour flip area is too far. So I can actually remove that because it's irrelevant at this point. Okay.
Yeah, you can use it as a target almost.
Pretty much, yeah, for sure. But like I said, guys, on that higher time frame, your weekly or daily, your 4-hour, you're super bearish at the moment. You have that bearish strength. So what happens here is crucial, which also brings you to this point. Just because the candle can possibly move below does not mean it's selling time, because this could be a deeper liquidity grab like that and then spike back up. So what I want to see in order for me to take my shorts on gold is the closure below the level of 23.12. Once I get the closure below 23.12, which will be something like this. So this current candle, what's time? 3 minutes. Look, it can happen on this candle or the next candle, whichever candle, to just close below the level. Once it closes below the level, the next one to tap in, drive, that's the trade. Okay. And then on the contrary, what will really be stunning is if this candle closes bearish like this. I say, where did you learn that from? Pretty cool, eh? Candle to close in that zone, grab liquidity, pop down, break the lows, then come back up to start engulfing like that. Brilliant setup. Absolutely brilliant, Barry. Then we look for the entry over there, the tap in and the flip. So it's going to be a type 3 style execution with type 3 idea with the type 2 style execution, which is the engulfing of the candle, the closure above. Look, to be dead honest with you, if this candle goes and makes a bigger lower wick, I can take it on the break of those highs. And if you see what I just drew now, you'll understand that it's going to be the exact same trade as yesterday. Okay, so either or, boys, either or. If you don't understand anything, let me know. We've got 75 viewers at the moment. Let me know. If you don't understand anything, let me know. I will happily guide you through whatever is not in the course. Gee whiz. 540 subs. I love it, boys. I love it. I love it. I love it. Run up those subs. This is nothing, boys. This will drop here. Don't think it's something. It's nothing. Okay, trading view, we get it. The alert is there. This is nothing. If you understand my breakdown that I just did now, you'll understand that this is nada. It's nothing. One more like to get 70 likes. Can we get that? Just out of curiosity, can we get that? And then for my new viewers, welcome. Welcome, welcome. We trade live on YouTube, Monday to Thursday. Fridays, MFX members only. What time, Miles? 8:30 GMT +2. Alright. And then we're doing a giveaway today, so stay tuned, boys. Giveaway today at the end of the stream. All you have to do is be a sub to the channel. So subscribe, like the stream, and then follow the Instagram business page. You see this close, absolutely gorgeous for a possible type 3 if it starts to trade above that level. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So what I want to do is see that if I look to the left hand side, that's my liquidity zone. That's why that little spike that you got excited for, anybody that got excited for it, that's nothing, man. It's nothing. Okay? What you want to see in order for me to take shorts below you is the closure below the level. I haven't got that yet, so this could be that price is grabbing liquidity for price to come back up. Do I buy there? No. The people that try to buy the lows, RIP to your overall account. The people that is patient enough to wait for the break of the highs. There we go. Okay? Just because price taps into liquidity zones, guys, does not mean it's going to go up. Rather be patient enough and use that as a confluence to your strategy and say that, okay, you know what? We've tapped into the zone of liquidity. Yes, it's driving away from there. It's going to do one of two things. Either tap into resistance and drop, or tap into resistance, form support, and get above and drive. That you can use as another confluence. And that's that's on any strategy. It's simple. Just be patient to understand what the structure of the market is doing. Once you get the structure of the market in your confluences, then you're good. This should also be the flip of the hourly. If this hourly flips bullish, that'll be nice as well. That'll also be nice. For sure, for sure. This, we're gonna arrange that. Yeah, but we're gonna arrange that. That's just a little cream on the pie, but this is the range you want to get from high to low. So essentially, you're going to be looking from high to low. Okay, if that is the play. 550, then 1,000 subs on the way for sure, my brother Knowles. Definitely. Likes and the poll not adding up. Come up. Yeah, I don't know what kind there, but it's okay. Vince Miles, so you do not worry much about Asia range? No, I don't, my brother. Don't worry about Asia range. Don't worry about any session range. Darren, hold on. Darren, wach. You're gonna start unnecessary beef here. Wach. We don't have time for that. No range matters. No range matters, boys. Trade what you see in front of you. Asia range doesn't mean shit. Yeah. Mods, we're gonna have to take care of Darren. He's wild today. We're gonna have to take care of this guy. He's wild today. We don't need anything like that, boys. Just trade what's in front of you. I think I must put Darren in the tower. This brother's fucking wild today, man. I don't know what he had for breakfast. I think he had too much scoops of Scott's emulsion today. He is He is moving here in the chat today. Just this Bovril and fish space, my guy. Sunburn for 10 minutes. For those who want to be mentored by the best, click the link. Shot Jordan. How did you actually get that link to stand like that? Is that an active link? How did you do that? Jordan's studying YouTube. Where is this? I got that link on speed dial. Show me your journal, please. I don't have a journal. I don't have a journal, bro. Akash. Nah, Akash has been here before. 100% has been here before. Definitely seen this brother before. But welcome back, my G. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good, my brother. Can you bring Anita with you? Because I need a max win. But they've actually whipped it out for the guys that's obviously probably new to the stream. This is my journal. This is the journal now. It's not my journal, it's mine and YouTube's journal. How about that? Because every single trade I take, I do in front of everybody. I don't take any trades on the side. All the trades is either in front of my live MFX members or it's on YouTube. So all you see here, this is all done with you guys. So this is for the yeah, this is my journal, bro. It's pretty cool, eh? Yes. Guys, Darren is looking for score here. He just wants beef today. This guy had a week full of chicken. Oh wow, I think you forget about me. Never, bro. I don't forget my subs. If I see your name pop up in my chat, I will always remember you. Trust me. Even my haters as well. My lovers, my haters. I'll remember you guys. But yeah, this is my journal. You want to see my journal? Here's my journal. It's nothing complicated. My date, my pair, my session, my buy, sell, entry time, close time, pips gained, win, loss, entry type, and time. So there's my journal. Hello, Zama. Hello, Zama. Is Zama here? Is Zama here? What happened last week? Why was everybody in Neisner last week? Everybody was taking their girlfriends to Neisner. What's going on? Oh, okay. 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 Yeah, we need to first know how to get one of those, eh? We don't know how to, we don't know how to get that.
I'm gonna show them my demo account.
But y'all boys, guess it's just a waiting game. Guess it's just a waiting game. Llewellyn Blackface say, hey Whiteface, he's awake now. Hello my friend. Ken Basam Yasin. Can we take sell positions if the 30-minute candle breaks the previous one for gold? Only after closure, my brother. So rather be patient and wait for the closure, okay? Nah, Shem, I think we in two different moods. You chose violence today, I chose love today. We in two different moods today, bro. Is he in the? Is he in the? Oh, he is here. He's here. Listen, just watch what you say because it's overlaying to YouTube. No foul language between the two of you.
Swear.
Nah. Thinks the same thing. Friends like these guys. That's all you need. Can, just out of curiosity, why do I want the close below and not the break of the lows? Can anybody answer that question for me? Why do I want the close below and not the break of the lows? Proper answers, please, not funny business. On a serious note, why am I waiting for the close below this liquidity range and not just the break of the lows? Why? Okay, in liquidity, yes. That's one of them. There's like 3 or 4 different ones, but I'm looking for one specific thing. Can anybody tell me why I'm waiting for the close of the low and not just the rip of the break of that area? Can reject? Yes, true. What else? There? Because it could just go down, grab liquidity, and move straight back up, and it could be a fake out. 100%. 100% correct. What else, though? There is another thing. What is the idea behind the shorts? It's not just going to be trading below the zone. What is the idea behind the shorts? I mentioned it many times. What is the idea behind this short with price closing below? Everything you've said is 100% spot on to everybody that has answered. But what is the idea behind this trade? The crux of it all. Anybody in the Zoom, or you guys, you think you can answer that? Or anybody on YouTube, let me know. Really? Simo, yeah, Simo's down as well. Are you all with Frogfoot? Charles Intent as well. Shame, guys, that's tough, man. That's tough. I think just Charles, maybe. But I mean, that's a very vague question because not everybody's from South Africa.
Yeah, I would have said what Charles says if it is so rejecting this zone.
Nobody's saying what I want, though.
Yeah, no. I don't know.
Wait for retest, yeah. Could be a fake out, yeah. Hello, Zemzem. Zemzem? I hope you and Zemzem have subscribed to the channel and liked the stream. Disclosure will be the new low. It won't be the new low, so that's definitely not it.
Yes, Zim, no.
It's something to do with what Charles just said. Come on, guys, it's so fucking easy. I just mentioned it the whole time. If nobody gets this right, I'm not going to do the giveaway. Because there's no ways I spend hours on YouTube and nobody listens. What? You guys serious? Why do I talk about every single day, boys? I'm so disappointed. I thought YouTube has ears. I'm so disappointed. Damn, boys. What? I thought you guys paid attention. It's such a simple answer, bro. I can't even believe you guys don't get it. It's something to do with the left-hand side. Fuck, it's so simple. 4-hour break. No. Yada Owens. Really now? Why do I want the there, Simeon? Thank you. Fuck, Owens. It's simple. It's just it's so fucking simple, bro. Look to the left. Besides the LTA, look to the left. What do we do every single day? What do we do? I literally highlighted like fucking a million times. You do not want to take this trade, not because of a fake out, none of that. You do not want to take the trade just because it breaks the low, because what if it's grabbing the liquidity? Because on the left hand side, you have a range. There's a range. Okay? So because there's a range, what you want to do on the right hand side is range trade. Simple. Take it from the high, drop it to the low. Get your close below, wait for your retest, form the range resistance. Bah! Simple. Thank you, Simeon. But you guys' answers wasn't wrong. It just wasn't what we did. It's not the crux of the trade. It's not the daddy of the trade. The daddy of the trade is we're gonna range trade. Simple as that. We keep trading from multiple. I did say left, yeah, but what on the left? There's a LTA on the left. There's rejection on the left. What on the left? What on the left? What did you win? Honestly, I feel like you just being my friend is the best thing. There's nothing more you could want to win, right? How amazing is that? You're not the old. Oh yeah, Nunis, man. Okay, quarter to 11, guys. I'm gonna call this session trading wise at 11. If I don't get a setup by 11, I'm gonna call it. That's the hourly close, that's the 30 close, that's the 50 close. If I don't get a setup, then I'm gonna call it a session. Then we're gonna go to Wordle. We're gonna do the Wordle. Charles is gonna win it in his second try, and then we're gonna do the giveaway. 72 viewers. Yo, this Owens is only here because they want they want the prize. This is fucking wild. I think I need to give away every day. 97 votes. How is that possible? How is that possible? There's no ways there was 97 people watching this show. Unless it's come in with doing different but you can't, once you vote, you can't vote one, so it must be multiple profile. Then we jump you on card, guys, so click mention me. I can't, I have a meeting at 12. I mean, that's a low blow, bro. That's a low blow, Simeon. Jordan, don't worry, bro. I got you. I'll stream for you. Simeon is a fucking dickhead, bro. Who won the Wordle yesterday? 4 people. 4 people won the Wordle. It was Darren, Uncle Rob's, Charles, and something. Must do some podcast, Miles. I wasn't a podcast in February. But it's not lucky to watch because it stutters the whole time. It was a bomb-ass podcast though, so shot for the gents that hosted me, but it just stutters the whole time, man. That's the only problem. No, fuck that. I will never do a podcast. I'll never host podcasts, guys. That's just not my. That's not my thing. I'm here for one thing only, and that's to make money off the charts, and then to educate the masses. That's all. I'll be on podcast. So you have a podcast, you want to invite me to come speak on your podcast, let me know. I'll come speak there. I'll come say a couple of tangs there. Fuck with Darren. Oh, that 1080 no scope. Jordan's practicing there on his phone so long, man. Why is that candle not enough for me? I'm gonna ask you guys questions now, because surely by now, whether you've been watching me for a week or a month, or you've been an MFX member for a year or 2, why is that 15-minute candle not valid to continue shorts? 2 things. It's only 2 things. No bottom wick? Yes. In liquidity? Yes. Okay, Jordan, you get a naughty badge. Jordan gets the naughty badge. Charles gets the naughty badge. Tabang gets the naughty badge. Simeon gets strepsils. AKA Mariposa liquidity. I love that. I hope that in your guys' like, let's say course journal or learning journal, you have that noted down, because it's very important. I love the GJ buys above. It's just taking its time, and I like the gold sells below. It's just taking its time. So I'm gonna sit, boys. I'm gonna sit. Bring that hybrid tech. GJ looks like she woke up. Depends how she looks when she wakes up. Because this isn't pretty at the moment.
I have a 4-hour closure on my end.
Let me know how to how close is good. Yeah, 100%. For sure. For sure. Safe cells? Safe? For sure. I'm proud of you, bro. That's discipline. That's discipline. I'm proud of you. You gotta be patient. And that's the thing also, like, if you have the discipline to stick to your strategy, it eliminates all the issues of, not all, but it eliminates like 98% of the issues of having that FOMO feeling or the greed or wanting to overtrade. It's just as simple as sticking to your strategy. Literally, like, we can pray, we can do all of these things, right? But what helps us so much is if we just stick to the plan. Sticking to the plan of the strategy, sticking to the plan of implementing the correct risk management. And with that being said, then it puts you at a point where you don't have to overtrade, you don't have to over leverage, just because you're sticking to your plan every single day. Bro, my Zoom doesn't work. I've been watching to hear what Darren is saying. I don't know, bro. Darren is he's on something today. He's on hybrid. On hybrid tech. Psychology from Friday to today. Yeah, no, I can see it. You see, sometimes I have to give you that scolding, that heavy shout that gets through to me. It seems like it's working. $10 minutes. Let's see, can we get closures below the low? Look, if I get closure below on the 30-minute, that's what I want to see, boys. So, to me, we've grabbed the liquidity. The break of these lows will initiate some short positions. This will be the first area of target is the body. That is going to be, let's see, 12 pips away. Okay, so that will be probably your 10 pip TP1. It should penetrate right through that. However, we understand that there's resistance within the candles itself, not just liquidity zones. With that being said, there's going to be support / resistance within the structure of the body. No? Cool. So with that being said, all I want you to find now on this 30-minute, it doesn't have to close below this wick. It just needs to close outside. Outside the level, I will be happy. Once it closes outside the level, I will then identify that we have a 5-minute floor, as you can see there. Can you see 5-minute floor? Then we're going to be looking for short positions below that low, and we'll be looking to short it down with our stop up here for 40 pips. And I'm going to try and get that stop loss smaller, but I think for now it is fine at 40 pips. And we'll then target this TP1 area of, why is not selected? What did I do? It's because I clicked that. I think it was exactly. Yeah. Target 1 is going to be 10. And then target 2 will be the next wick. And that will be 26. Target 3 will be the wick fill, which will be 60. And then the overall will obviously be the target down there. So, yeah, we're going to be using this as the play. I hope that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, ask me questions. No, unless we go to re-break that low, then it's fine. So say for example, we get this close, right? And then the next one opens up and goes down first. However, as it then comes up and you maybe have a minor wick, let's say like that, If this candle then re-breaks that area, I'll then short it for sure. So it's not off the table entirely yet. Apologies for asking the course question. I'm about to join. But for the stream, is a body closure more important than a wick to you? Yes, 100%. Closures only occur with bodily wicks. With bodily closures, not the wicks. Wicks is price grabbing the area, but not holding the area. But seeing that you're about to join, you're going to get all your nuggets within that course. And obviously I'll mentor you myself. So okay, besides everybody else that can come say things, once Vince joins, he'll be your reporter YouTube, and he'll tell you how it is. he will tell you how it is. Because I mean, we got guys that joined yesterday, but this is a perfect example. It's someone that's not in the group yet. They're gonna go under the knife. Once they go under the knife, watch how they become profitable. If he does what I tell him to. If he doesn't, we can all throw him under the bus. But yeah, boys, you got closure in 5 minutes. Vince doesn't have to worry about mints because I eat the mints. That's what's for lunch. Almost said Vince. Mints, mints, veggies, and rice. No rice, not yet. Rice is only for before gym. Guys, how do I get my dietitian to become my personal chef? How do I do that? Not for this. After a month, I'll be leveled up to a range. We'll see about that one. We'll see about that one. Do you only eat mints? No. Vince for lunch. Run, Vince, run. Hey bro, I'm about to go next door. Treat me well. Vince, I'll see you there soon. Let's see who joins first. A competition. Who's gonna join me first? Let's go. First one to join gets the first mentorship slot. No, I don't only eat mints. Any protein can come in all different shapes and sizes. It can be mince, chicken, rice, steak, lean bacon, anything with protein. Actually, I don't think I just haven't had donuts in a while. I need a max wing. Do you get snook in PE? Yes, but the time, if it depends if it's Cape Town snook. If it's Cape Town snook, by the time it gets that snook is pop maybe. Yes, I don't even know what he's talking about, bro. Because for me personally, I'll rather buy like already made snook, whatever. This nigga. I'll rather 100% put this thing in the timeout, bro. I'll rather get like fish and chips already made. Because honestly, I know what you're trying to refer to. The snook that's in PE is nothing compared to the snook that you buy in Cape Town. There, close to Grand West, the ones that standing on the side of the road in LCs. It's not the same, bro. It's not the same. By the time that snook gets you, it's pop, maybe, bro. But yeah, I love me some fish and chips. Nah, Darren is gonna get choked after this stream. 1v1 mean Forza, man. I'll outride you. Come, show me your best lap on Laguna Seca. Show me your best lap time on Laguna Seca. Come. Get me on COD, I will shoot you. Closure coming in 2 minutes, boys. Let's see what's happening. So with this closure coming like this, with the wick that has now driven so far already, if this current candle can close, let's say like that, around that level, on the next candle, I'll even opt to do a candle flip. So create that top wick. Let me just do this so you guys can see. Got it, 2 minutes. This candle can close like that, right? So somewhere around there. Not too far back. I don't think I'm going to be comfortable with that. Because the entry I want below this week. So then as this candle then flips, I will then take position there. In anticipation that you'll fill that wick and continue driving. And if it closes within there, hatis tomatis. It won't be a trade for me. Okay. Guys, this is a straightforward, man. It's really straightforward what I want. So if I don't get these requirements, it's not gonna happen.
Yo, we're now gonna close it outside. No.
Can't do a direct reference. Stroke on it. A Wagyu patty plug? Those are amazing. Cannibal Gun. What's up, my G? Hope you're doing good. Now, I think, you know what I think is the best plug is a crayfish plug. Best patties I've had. Darren McLaren. That, look here, that needs to be Darren's first supercar. He has to buy a McLaren. And then his number plate must be D-Mac. But fuck. Yeah. Closure in the zone, no trade for me, nothing happening, just indecision at the moment. So, unfortunately, no trade as of yet. There is also no top wick on this current 15. As we can see that even though price is driven low, it's still stuttering at the area because this is still in liquidity. Right? So yeah, this is where you see where your patience and discipline has to kick in full force right now. Because as late in session as you're going, and as juicier as the markets look as they are moving, you still need to respect your plan. You still need to be patient. This is what keeps us consistent, boys. Is the consistency in being patient. Because I mean, you could literally know how to trade, but if you just don't have the patience and the discipline, your accounts will never look nice. You'll never get to a point where you do withdrawals on the frequent. MDZ GJ. Guys, do you think if you're gonna type a pair in the chat, I'm just gonna click on it? Yes, I am. GJ break of the highs, bro. Guys, what do you think is happening when nothing's going? It's nothing happening, man. GJ, what did I say there? Type 1 and type 4. Is it valid type 1? MFX members, do you think there's a valid type 1 coming? $100%. Thank you. Why though? Why though? So we're gonna get, this is what we're gonna get. This is the only way I can take type 1. You have price, forming resistance, coming to grab liquidity. Now we want to see this, I'm not going to draw that candle, but this thing's candle to start consistently. Create higher highs and higher lows within that structure. And as you start to penetrate through these highs, why is it doing that? And as you start to penetrate through the highs, we can look for type 1 executions. Obviously, I prefer type 4s because they are more conservative. However, if now we do get the next, see, it won't even be my time of trading though, because this is going to be in the next hour. So 12 o'clock only. If you get something like this, I can execute. Then in that same breath, you need a 5-minute style support happening somewhere around there. Then you can take it. But yeah. Um, 10 pips. The idea behind a type 1, guys, is literally to get your 10 and move. That's the idea behind a type 1. Because remember, if we look at market structure like this, so you have, let's say you have, this is the idea. Yeah, this is the idea. Let me just say it. You have a resistance area. The idea of a type 1 is understanding that price action does this, right? That is what price action does. So the idea with the type 1 is that you are driving to the upside, creating that ascending channel, creating higher highs and higher lows, and where you are taking the trade is this. This is where you are taking the trade. What happens after that? If I look at market structure, it needs to do this, right? So you don't want to be in the trade for the pullback. You don't want to be in the trade for the pullback. So you get your move and you go. Because you can then look for re-entries for price to drive up. My MFX members will know exactly how we do that, because the type 1 lines into the next possible retrace. I'm not going to say it because then, you know what I mean. But the MFX members, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You take your money for a sole understanding that the next setup's going to come. You guys know what that setup is. So literally, one way to get the market, 4 different ways of executions gets you paid. Simple. So now that you understand that, the only thing that's going to be your next obstacle is the resistance here and being patient for it to give either 1 or 4. Yes, for sure. So but then it's not a type 1, then it's a type 4. The type 1 is the higher. Yeah, perfect. Okay, you got it. Perfect. So the fact that there's a bearish candle and bullish candle, you see though, a type 1, nah, it should not close Maribosa. It should have your higher wicks like that still. It shouldn't close like that, because that will invalidate it for me. Because that's then Maribosian liquidities. That's then signifies reversal. You with me? So there should still be a decent upper wick on that type 1. Yes. And remember, type 1, you only focus on the previous 3. Yeah, so like this, it's a resistance, so it's breaking out of that, so that's fine. Type 1, you only focus on the previous 3 or more candles. Am I saying that right? The nearest 3 to entry, let me say it like that. So the nearest 3 into entry. So like, for example, if this current candle, this one that's open right now, just goes and breaks, it's invalid. Because remember, you want to see momentum, but you don't want to see super large momentum. Yo. Yo, what's up? Howdy. It can work if this is what the next 2 candles will do, is if you form a support like that. So this is the current bullish candle. I'm not going to change colors, you guys know what I mean. And then the next candle to then close outside. Then at that point, your hourly will still be open. It hasn't broken the previous yet, but what you then have is a support and resistance on your 15, 30, and 5. You understand? So then your 5-minute correction just continues. You see that? For sure. For sure. Because then you won't have closure on your hourly, but you have closure on your 30/15. So then it's still fine, yeah. But as of now, not the hourly, but there, you can use that. But also, it's not valid right now. You need this candle to close bullish. Because what it's telling you is that it's rejecting the area, it's forming a support, and then the re-break of that low will then signify to me that that is then actually a resistance. So if this candle just drives now, it's not a setup that I would take. It's not. I need this candle to close. You need closure below, boys, because then you must be, because at the moment this is your 4-hour liquidity zone, you see. So 5-minute close below. Check this out. So if I go on my 5 minutes and I go to the left, I promise you there's a close below somewhere. Yeah, look how this 5-minute closes. It looks like it's gonna go down. It's not. And we can find that in other areas as well. Yeah, as well. Let's take away all of this. So let's say this was not there. All of this. Let's say all of this is not there. All of that towards the right is not there. However, there you have a bearish 5-minute close. Can you see that? Bearish 5-minute close and it closed below the level. That's not enough though. The lower time frames, guys, that's why even though I use the lower time frame for execution, I don't use it for my overall analysis, if I can play that. Because like, ooh, yeah. Yeah, as well. Look at that, 5-minute close below. Look what happened to the next candle. And then we go to a high time frame and we see what time is that. That was 04:55. Is that a 15/30 minute candle close? No, it's not. You see. So these lower time frames you can't use to trade, boys. You can't use it to base your trades off of. You can use it to get entry and stuff, but you need to have the overall understanding. Yeah, it doesn't. Remember, you can't use the idea that, okay, you know what, we've done this for Asia, or oh no, we've done this for during the session, it can continue. There's none of that shit. You need to trade it liquidity, supply and demand, price action as time goes on. You can't be like, okay, it's been going down, it should go further down. There's none of that. Remember the thought of can always just be a thought. You need to have your confluences in alignment and then take it. So like strictly right now, this hourly, we can only take the flip of the hourly if on the 30-minute and 15 I form bullish and a resistance. So like a support to form and then go. Yes. I want. See now, I don't know if you guys will understand this, but I want it to close bullish. So even though I want to sell it, I need this candle to close bullish because it solidifies the support for me. And then at the same time, after it then breaks that support, it forms a resistance for me. So yeah. You see, for that you'll then also still need the closures below. Because even if we sit now and we range high to low and you sit there for a bit, what's stopping this thing from not flying up? You with me? That's the thing. This is a very important zone. That's why I'm very adamant about my closures below. And in this case, after the closure, I need the drive. So with that being said, I need candles in the opposite direction. I need it to close bullish. For sure. Remember, guys. Yeah. Just annotate. You can annotate. Hmm. 100%, yeah. And then on there, that is pretty much just your 5-minute resistance. Can you see that? That's your retest. That's your support of the floor breaking. That's what it is. You got it. Okay, got it. Wait. Nothing.
Hey guys, if you're doing the basics, mouse really sucks.
Jordan, I'm not too sure. It can't be zoomed, dog. Can't. Maybe your Wi-Fi possibly limits you to. Sorry, possibly limits you to like certain things. Like, say for example, at work they maybe block like YouTube or whatever, or downloading stuff and things like that. But guys, okay, let me extend it to half past. No setup at half past. I'm gonna call it a trading day for me. What about the web app? I did try that out, George. What are you on, a Mac or iOS? But speak to Simeon. I don't even know why I'm trying to help you. Simeon is the computer guy. He'll sort you out. We pay him to do that, so he'll sort you out. Two pips per hour. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back now. I'll be back shortly. Any questions, do let me know. You can just drop it in the chat. I'll be back shortly. I don't know. I did see something about it, but I'm not sure. I have another one. Just see something. Oh my word. 15 subs this session alone. Guys, if you're watching and you haven't subbed to the channel, do that. Crazy. It's and they're all waiting for the giveaway and it's just a fucking knickknacks. Oh morning for fucking knickknacks. This is gonna help me because I'm in between two minds. I'm gonna take this poll off. So there's either option 1 or option 2. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but just vote in the poll quickly. There's 65 of you Owens. I know what option 1 is and I know what option 2 is. So I hope you guys are gonna get the right option, yeah? Let me just end this poll. Okay, people are ready. Cool, thanks. Let me end poll. I'm gonna throw up another poll. Just vote on this. Do you want option 1 or option 2? 107 votes. Of that 107, 87 people voted yes, they are ready for the poll. Congratulations, you will possibly win something today. Let's see. Vote option 1 or 2. That's all you gotta do. Click on 1 or click on 2. I think I just spelled that wrong. Why did I say that? No, I didn't. Okay, perfect. Imagine I spelled vote wrong. 80 likes on the stream. Wild. No, that's perfect. You don't know what it is because everybody will just vote for the higher option. So now it's. I wouldn't. Guys, one thing about me, I'm very honest. I'm very transparent. I won't change it. I won't. No, Darren. No, 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 no. The thing is, there's nothing wrong with the type 3s from this 4-hour high. The issue for me is that... Nah, there's actually nothing wrong with type 3 buys. The issue for me is that it's a bit choppy. But look, if you do type 3 highs, you've... Say, for example, this is the play, right? You've got price grabbing liquidity, grabbing liquidity, grabbing liquidity. Your range is from that high to these lows. Essentially, it's actually from there to there. That's actually the range. So this is the range here. That can happen. 100% it can happen. How would I get involved in that? If I look at the 4-hour, I can see there's a 4-hour low after grab liquidity. The flip of that 4-hour low will almost said seduce, but induce some short positions. So I can mark that out. That will be the 4-hour flip bearish. As Darren spoke about, now it's happening. Does Darren hold the volume, guys? Crazy. Okay, this is the only time I can sell it, boys. This will be your aggressive shorting area right here. So as you know, I've tapped to grab liquidity. If this 4-hour flips this body, it's not enough. We can start the volume, but it's not enough. Then I need to see that there is a support right there, so it's not enough. So the only time I'm going to be taking shorts is below this area of 1965.75 in anticipation that this was then price just grabbing that volume there as well as there, and then as it breaks that support, that support, that support, that support, I can look for positions down. That's the only way. Other than that, this thing is super bullish, so selling here is hot water, selling there is hot water. It can work, but remember, rather be in the trade that moves than the trade that just starts. Ek hoop dit maak sin. But guys, for real, I'm capping the session to 11:30. If I don't get a trade by 11:30, I'm done, bro. I'm done for the day. Not every day is a trade day. Would have been nice to catch a win on the last day of April, but I mean, we up, boys. We are up. We are up 21 wins for the month with 1 loss. If you've been here for the month, put a W in the chat if you've been here for the entire month of April. Let's see who the real supporters are. And don't lie. One person. Sure? So only one person got 21 wins with me. Okay, there they're coming. Whole month of April. Testing, 1, 2. I can hear you, bro. Who do you think is Samsung? I think I think it could be like your wife, or maybe restricts. Restricts it. Yeah, that is weird. Yeah. Yeah, that is actually weird. Maybe he's checking NAS, but he's clapping my Wi-Fi with the Zoom calls. Yeah. No stress, brother. I'll see you on YouTube. London 10:37. The man, unfortunately, I can't agree with you because you said the volume's coming at 9:30. Now you've changed it to 10:30. So, guys, there is no time that volume comes in. Market works in cycles. You cannot predict when volume is going to come in. So, I unfortunately can't agree with you on that, my brother. Da, 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 da. 7 minutes to see what's happening. Let's see what is up. Love about you. So you know it, then why are you saying it? You know it, why are you saying it? Darren, bro. Volume equals Miles' toilet break? I think so. Charles depends if it's number 1 or 2. I need the name of the song. Do you genuinely like it though? Is it the last? I don't know, bro. For this playlist, I just found anything that isn't copyrighted and I just shoved it. That's it. For me to spend hours just to listen to music, unfortunately, time is money, so I can't do that unless I'm like on the go. But to do it for like a specific purpose, okay, I'm gonna spend 3 hours just listening to music that I can make into a stream list. I can't do that, unfortunately. You see it in the shower now? Lekker, man. Let's vote equally. So it's 1 and 2. Yo, listen to this guy. What is that vote on? I'm very curious, actually. Don't listen to Two Smokes. That's gonna make it hard. What is this vote on? Jeez. Don't make it 50-50, guys. Don't do that.
Just take some in range away quickly. I want to see something.
I don't think it's a trading day for me today, boys. I don't think it's a trade day for me. Let's see how this half 11 closes, but for real, I'm calling it after. Not stream, but I'm calling the trading part of the stream. Then it's Wordle, then it's giveaway time. And then I'll have a see again at the charts just to see what's happening, but so far it's a no trade day for me. But while we are here, just a quick little plug. If you are wanting to level up your trading, first and foremost, sub to the channel and pop a like on the stream. If you want to level up your trading and trade as consistently as I do and get mentored by the best, there we go. There's your link right there. Click on that, join the team. This is the broker that I use, and then follow my IG business page to keep you up to date with everything that we do. Now regarding the giveaway, You need to be sub to the channel, you need to follow the IG business page, and you need to like the stream. Those are the only 3 requirements. And you can win a prize. So, yeah. Also, today is not the Oprah Winfrey show. Not everybody is going to win something today. It's just going to be one dude. So, yeah. Who's the trader there?
My Facebook is so full of this blue guardian stuff.
Shot for that, Jordan. My active nightbot.
It is nice, but
He's sleeping, bro. It's nighttime. He only comes out during the day. Okay guys, that is that 11 o'clock closure. Just something that I would like to see within this next candle is this 30-minute to now close below. Once it can close below, we have an active position for sure. For sure. That's what I want to see. I want to see this. Let's make it red. I want to see this close below. Okay? If it can close below, I will definitely look for shorting positions. Okay? If it doesn't, 30 only, because the 15 has given me support there. Okay, so I need price to now start trading below, and then I can get involved. But I can't do anything yet, because this thing can still go right up. And on GJ, like I said, aggressive sells there. With price tapping into the zone, if it rejects the area, I can sell there, but honestly, if it continues to drive, I will just wait for my closures above, boys. So that sums up the trading month of April for me, unless I see something really spicy when we do come back to the charts after the Wordle and the giveaway. Then I'll take a trade, sorry. But guys, that's pretty much me for April. April has been a beautiful run with a 95% win rate for the month, taking 22 trades total. So we've taken a good amount of trades this month, but the market has given us that opportunity, so it's been awesome. And then on the forefront, what actually happened is we then took 21 wins with 1 loss for the whole month of April. And summing up the year so far to the end of April, we've taken 48 wins and 7 losses for the year so far. So with an 87% win rate, once again, it just proves to you that my win rate is always above 80%, which means that if I take 10 trades, I'm definitely going to lose 2, but I'll surely win 8. Okay. So that's the month of April, guys. GG's on that. Let's just have a look at our journal and see what they actually equated to regarding pips wise. So here's the month of April. Here's the month. We started out by winning 27 pips, then 72, then 15, 22, 10, 45, 12, then 280, then 23, then a break even, then 17, then a break even, then 40 pips, then 10, 20, 20, 15, 23, 15, 20, 20, 20, Then we went and lost 55 pips last week Tuesday. Then 135, 30, 0, 21.5, and 26. So I will obviously tally this at the end. But obviously you can see that this is mad. This is mad. So this is our results for April. Absolutely insane. And yeah, boys, I just want to thank you for obviously watching it and learning from it live in front of you. However, this is not the end. May starts tomorrow, and we continue Monday to Thursday, 8:30 GMT +2 with our normal day-to-day trades, and then Fridays for MFX members only. The links is in the chat as well as in my description if you want to level up your trading and trade alongside me. My house just goes yeah, I'll do that afterwards. I'll do that afterwards. But a very successful month. MFX members in the Zoom as well. Well done on that. Obviously Friday we'll have accountability style, see your percentage returns, but just for curiosity's sake, in the chat, what's your percentage return on your account for the month? Let's see. Let's see. 3%, beautiful. Stunning, stunning, stunning. %, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. 8.5%, stunning, beautiful. Now remember guys, 5.3% pure, guys. Oh, that's beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So at the end of the day, guys, you don't need high percentage returns. You aim between, I would say, on a very well decent account, between 2 and 10%. 2% you are styling on a nice account. 5% you are styling on a nice account. 10% above that is just, that's my algorithm money, man. If you're trading 6 figures and up, you don't need large percentage returns. 2, 3%, 5%. That's all you need. Obviously, the way we trade, you should be seeing more than that. But yeah, man, if you can just keep yourself at a consistent 3% on your decent account, you should be sorted. You know what I mean? So the crux of the matter is that educate yourself, gain the skill, get experienced, and then as time goes on, your capital should grow, right? You don't have to target large amounts. But guys, that's it for me on the trading side for today. Shot for the month. It's been an absolute banger. 95% win rate for the month. It's time for Wordle, then it's time for the giveaway that I'm gonna love and leave you guys. And yeah, man. So in order for you to be in the game, in the giveaway, you need to be active in this Wordle. I can't have 2 people guessing the word. Charles, can you just lay low for like 5 minutes? Just 5 minutes. Are you streaming tomorrow? Yes, I am. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I stream Monday to Thursday, guys. Monday to Thursday. Monday to Thursday. For free. And then Fridays for MFX members only. But Fridays is more than just a live stream. It's the accountability call as well, which I feel like is a crucial part within your journey. 70 people here, but I know why you guys are here. They want something. They want something. Trey Miller shot for the sub PNW, bro. WWW. Bread? Bread in money form or bread like Sasko Sam? Okay, everybody voted for option 1. So I'll tell you what option 1 is. After this, guys, this is gonna be my last giveaway because I feel like I've given away so much. This is gonna be my last giveaway until 5,000 subs. Maybe I will do more, but I feel like 5,000 subs is fair. Prices of my mentorship will also be going up soon, so if I was you, I would get involved in that mentorship ASAP. Okay? For a level up your trading, get involved ASAP. Prices will be going up soon. MFX members, don't worry about that. If you've become an MFX member before, before the price increase, you'll continue to pay that. Okay. Right, boys, I'm happy. 84 likes, 547 subs, 70 people watching. Okay. Wordle. Oh, I just closed it. Why? Wordle, let's go. First word, what do we want? Mouse. Okay. All I can say is, guys, in order for you to be a possible winner of this, you need to have subbed to the channel, liked the stream, and follow the business MFX page. If you don't follow the business MFX page, it's null and void for you, even if you win. So I'm gonna do the prize picker the same. There is an app that I found on prize picker. I don't know if it works for live stream. It works if you have like a video up on YouTube, on IG, it works. But regarding live streaming, I just think the best way for me to just run through the comments. So I'm gonna limit it like this. This is how I'm gonna do it, the same as the last time. I'm gonna pick a number between 0 and 50. Okay? Now, when I pick that number, you choose one number and do not spam, because there's too many people in here. So choose one number and we're gonna do a round. Yeah? And then if it doesn't, nobody gets it, we'll do another round like that. Okay? We'll do it like that. Don't spam 1,000 numbers. Choose one number and stick to that. Once we run through everybody, we'll then go again. Okay? Don't spam numbers, because I promise you I'm not gonna be able to see it, because there is 70 people here. Put a time delay on YouTube. How do I do that? How do I do that? Tell me quickly before I... How do I do that? How do I do that? That is brilliant, Jordan. That is brilliant. How do I do that though? How do I do that? I don't know how to do it. Ahoy, Owens. For you guys that's sending numbers, relax. We're not even at the giveaway yet. We still need to do the Wordle. For those that start sending numbers now, I'm just not going to include you in the giveaway, because I'm not going to deal with that shit right now. Do not spam numbers now, please. I won't be able to see it. Playback speed? How do I do that? Nah, I can't. George, you came up with the idea. Show me how. No numbers now. If you start spamming numbers, I will remove you from the giveaway, because I can't deal right now. I'm focusing on Wordle, one thing at a time. Please. Slow mode. Mods from this tongue now. Wara wara. That tongue. Whoever puts in numbers, just put them in a timeout, because I just don't want to be unfair to other people and all that jazz. Nah, wait. I only said afterwards, so just hold on with that. Okay, boys, Wordle, let's go. First word, what are we doing? I'm gonna go with prize, okay? Seeing that today's prize giving, I'm gonna go with prize. P and R is the first letter. I'm not gonna say anything else. What do you guys think is proof? Charles is the other guy, bro. You might just take this game. Proud. Who said proud? Jordan. Proud. Might be. Oh no. Prowl. 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 Becky Bagley with the win. Well done. Well done. We have a new winner. You can know Footsack. Food sack. We are not doing that with any YouTube person. Hell no.
For the Wordle winner.
No, 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 no. Yes, even do us.
I love it.
This guy, just as you English people, it's Charles. Okay, I think Charles and Becky is maybe related. There's no ways they got that quick. Either related or the girlfriend, boyfriend, or something. I don't know how they got that. Okay, guys, we're done with Wordle because you guys are just too good. Darren, fuck right off. Go sit in a corner. Go sit in a corner. Mods, put Darren in a timeout, please. Put Daz in a timeout. Who was the other brother that came to stream and kept sending kissy faces the whole time? Who was that, bro? Who was that dude? Yeah, guys, okay, this is how it goes. Don't spam the numbers yet. The mods will put you in timeout. I just don't want things to become mad for me that I can't process. Okay, we got 60 viewers here, so the prize is this. The winner of this will be mentored by me for 2 months straight. I will guide you in the process of trading. So you get the course, you get my one-on-one mentorship, you get everything for 2 months. For 2 months, you don't have to pay. If you don't like it after 2 months, you can obviously leave. It's better for me to give away 2,000 Rand in education compared to 2,000 Rand, because you're probably going to go spend it on McDonald's or something. So I'm going to do you a favor by investing in your education. So I will guide you for free for 2 months. Nobody else is doing that. I will guide you for free for 2 months. You get the course, you get the one-on-ones, you get accountability calls, all of that jazz. And this is going to be the last giveaway that I'm going to be doing till 5,000 subs. And there won't be any more mentorship giveaways because I can't put everybody on that doesn't want to pay. If that is the best way I can say. If you want to be put on and you want to change your life, sign up to the mentorship. It's as simple as that. So that was the option that you guys picked. The other option was 1 month. So congratulations, you picked 2 months. My accountant's gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing? But it is what it is, man. Right, are you guys ready? So this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna write the number down. Like I did the last time. Write the number down between 0 and 50. If you guess the number, you're the winner. Okay? I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna put it here so you can see where it is, so you can see that I'm not cheating. Don't give me numbers yet. When I say go, then you give numbers. Only put one number, please. Don't spam numbers. Please. One number per person. 100% sure, because once nobody gets it, I'll run it again. Then you go again. But if you can't, if you press 45,000, 5,000, 6,000, nah, maybe bro. That's not happening. Also, if you aren't sub to the channel, if you haven't liked the stream and you don't follow me on IG, the business page, not my personal, you can follow the personal if you want to, but the business page, you don't get the prize. The prize is 2 months of mentorship. That's the course. That's having me. That is accountability calls. It's everything you need, bro. For 2 months, that is valued at 2,000 Rand. $100. Let's go. Okay. I've got the number down. Oh shit, did I just show the number? Fuck, I just showed the number. Hold on. I have to do it again. I'm gonna write the number down. Here's the number here. There's the number there. When I say go, then go. For the guys that's in Zoom, please go to YouTube. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. I won't be able to do Zoom and YouTube for the giveaway because then someone on YouTube is gonna say I'm cheating. I know how these people are already. So I'm gonna give you guys 2 to 3 minutes. Log on to YouTube. If you aren't there, I'm sorry. No, she's asking what the number was. She's trying to try and play a psychology game here. Go to YouTube, go to YouTube, go to YouTube, go to YouTube. I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes. Let's play Wordle maybe while guys come. Okay, we can. Wait, I don't think I have another Wordle for today. Unless I'm behind on Wordles. No, not a win rate calculator. We know that. No. I need everybody to get to YouTube. I can't let my MFX members not be part of this. I don't have another Wordle. Sorry, boys. I need the MFX members to be part of this. To make it fair for everybody. I'm gonna give it 2 minutes. No. We remember we got people from different areas and different everything, bro. Just give them time. Don't be asta. Don't be in a hurry to go play COD. Relax.
Remember, one number per person, guys. Please.
Lol, who just been there? It's Darren, bro. It's Darren. He's on something today.
Hey,
Okay, guys, I think we're ready, right?
Gordon is open here in the chat, my guy. Gaat jou kan. Hoeveel is profile?
1000 seconds. Bro, I don't know how to. Oh shit! Look, if you got Wi-Fi issues, I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry, dude. Okay, I think we are ready. Are you ready? The numbers behind me, you can see the piece of paper there. I've written down the number. The winner of this is going to get 2 months for free. Valued at 2,000 Rand. Also, another thing, the MFX members and I are having a challenge, right? I've told them for the month of May to July, fund an account of $100, I'll help you grow. That is the current challenge we're having from the 6th of May, 6th of May to the end of June. 6th of May to the end of June, we're having a little challenge amongst us MFX members, okay? Amongst the MFX members, who can grow their account to the highest percentage by sticking to the risk plan, not risking more than 2%, and sticking to the discipline, sticking to the rules. That's the challenge we're having within the group. It's going to teach them a lot. It's going to teach them discipline. It's also going to help them make money. It's an amount that they could all afford. So that's what we had the poll on Friday, and everybody agreed on it. So that's what we're doing from the 6th of May to the end of June. That's what we're doing within the MFX community as like a little bonus. I'll be guiding them through that, and they can obviously take their own trades. They can take trades with me. They can make money, and then the winner of that challenge wins 2,000 Rand. Awesome, right? So they have an account, they're making money, and the winner gets 2,000 Rand from me. I don't know, I'm feeling like Father Christmas this year. But trust me, this is my last fucking giveaway. I'm done after this. Right. When I say go, you put your number, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Number between 0 and 50. Let's go. When the person drops the number, they win. Mark Pillay, no ways. Mark Pillay won. Mark Pillay with the banger? No ways. Do you know that Mark Pillay was the last winner? Do you know that Mark Pillay was the last winner? And if you don't believe me, there's the number. Oh yes, Charles won and gave the mentorship to Mark. So today you're the real winner, Mark. Today you are the winner. You're already in the MFX group. So I know it's funny because I was writing it down. Your free time that Charles gave his challenge to you was actually ending now on the 3rd of May. So you've just won your extension for 2 months, which means that you've technically gotten 3 months for free with me. No giveaways, you can't give it away, nothing. The 2 months is yours, klar, end of story. Mark has just won the challenge. He is sub to the channel. He is holding down. He is like the stream, and he also has followed me on IG. So W's in the chat for Mark. He's the winner today. He gets 2 months of mentorship course guidance for free. How do you feel about that, Mark? Yeah, man, you are the winner. You are the winner today. The number was 22, yeah. That is my birthday. And I did it the last time. Really?
Don't understand. But I thought, damn, I was going to do it again. Going the other guy. Fuck, you know.
You could have had it, bro. You could have had it. My favorite number is 22, and it's my date of birth.
Yeah.
So, yeah, man. See the perks of knowing me? You could have won. It's not cute. Let me see the chat. Besides, because Mark won, obviously won. Did anybody else get 22 out of curiosity? I don't think anybody else got it. Nah, nobody else. Don't know what? No. No. Mark is the winner. Yeah, boys. Last number was 24. Oh, the last number was 24. Oh, you win the last time, Jordan. Nice. Guys, that's our giveaway done. Mark, well done, my brother. Well done to you. Chat, thank you for being cooperative and not spamming me with numbers before and after. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Regarding the trading front, let's quickly have a look at the charts. Yeah, let's have a look at the charts quickly. Mark, what's the date today? 30th. Okay. Can we do this? Guys, if Mark applies himself, can he come report back to you guys at the end of his 3 months? And he can give you guys a little testimonial. How has your first month been with us though, Mark? Let us know in the chat. How was your first month? I have a meeting after stream, boys. So no card for me. I'll be on today though, but not immediately. I have a meeting with Chad Alex straight after stream because it was for 12. But look where we are right now.
I just want to say something, right? I'm a bit stuttering at the moment, but
Can you guys hear this?
and the first number that came to mind was 22. When we finished spray, we came back. I thought the giveaway was over, and then that's the first number that came to mind. Can you believe that?
Hectic.
Can you believe that, brother?
Hectic. So he says here, Holy Spirit working, brother. What do you think about that? So apparently he's fasting and praying today. And then he went to the car to obviously pray and stuff like that. And then when he came back, he thought the giveaway was over. And then as he came out of prayer, the first number that came to his head was 22. And there he won. Hectic, bro. Holy Spirit is on fire today. God is working numbers today. Well done, my brother. Well done, my brother. And I hope that was part of your breakthrough. Obviously, that isn't your breakthrough, but I pray that it's part of your breakthrough as or whatever you prayed for. But first month has been amazing. I've learned so much just from the videos, and the one-on-one has helped me too. 100%, my G. But yeah, guys, for those that want to level up their trading, unfortunately, you can't bank on free stuff anymore. If you want to level up your trading, the link is in the description. Join the MFX team. Let's guide you. Let's show you how to trade. Let's take your trading to the next level. I think I've mentioned so many times what is all in there. But we just got it 22. But yeah, boys, shot for the stream today. I'm done regarding the charts. I'm not going to look for trade. It's 12 o'clock. It's past my hours. And this is just the discipline you got to have. You have the pairs that you trade, the session that you trade, the routine you implement for that. And then with that being said, also you have the amount of trades to take. And if you don't get a trade on the day, it's okay. We've taken 22 trades for April. We don't have to force anything. We've taken 48 wins for the year. We don't have to force anything. Over thousands of pips. We don't have to force anything. That's a discipline you also have to have. To know that every day, yes, there might be volume or yes, there might be moves, but it's not every day is a trading day according to your strategy. And if that doesn't line up, you don't have to take a trade. Trust. You don't have to force anything, boys. So for those that's going to be trading in New York, all the best with that. Yeah, man. I would say if you have any questions about that, will obviously be in the MFX group. But guys, I just want to say shot for joining today. Thanks for the 500 subs. Road to 1,000. Where are we now after today, actually? Whoa, where am I hearing myself? I'm hearing myself somewhere. Chad Alex, I see you pulled up. Straight after stream, bro. Give me 5 minutes. Straight after stream, I'm live with you. One-on-one, let's go. That is 12. Just hit over there, guys. Let me just see one thing quickly. I just want to see where we are regarding subs. I did see. Whoa, we have 552 today. GG, bro. I think that was like. We got 20 subs today. Mal. So I just want to say thanks for the support. That was just my way of giving back to my community, is doing the giveaway with you guys. So, Mark, well done once again. For those that want to level up the trading, you know what to do. And if anybody is trading in New York, trade smart, trade safe. And yeah, man, I personally feel like don't overtrade it. Don't force a move today. Tomorrow is a fresh new month. We have NFP on Friday. Take it easy. Okay? But guys, I just want to say shot for joining once again. Why did I do that so quick? I'm gonna love and leave you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 GMT +2. Okay? I'll see you guys there. Beautiful month of April. Let's kill May. Shot, guys. God bless. MFX members, God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Cheers.
Bye.